Oh mau fikole ye nu barabara yo le cho yo jo bon pom pola bon kaka ni gakeme fikole ma we fikole ma mbe fikole ma fikole ma fikole ma ewe fikole ma Hier qu'attend la vigie, et la vigie. Fou pepe va glolo, oh, et glolo. Ma way is embalejado. Aja gbagba asikaligbe do afikolea le mia tempolo mi jagole chio mi antominya oh my way mi antominya eyenti Mire Giodo, ne mi attende cucunolo. Ficole o, ma we, ficole ma, mbe, ficole ma. Ficole o, e we, ficole ma we, ficole ma. Adouame vana fianfito pata trozu pastolo Adouame vana ajedato pata trozu bokonolo
Mi hwagben di mi apun kwala ma do we zona mi ba vanyi ba TV pa ndi wona pa gome je pa Tony Macboy enya we zo gona mi va pa jim atwa pa ka blaba vo atontome dakpa na mi kata dakpa na mau de mon ko ko gana mi ba mi ano gbagba o do me Tony Macboy na mi aplo ga chu fi wasra gawo ma chomon ko ya ko dakpene do ha chu kata papere chinye afi nyamfo mi agbodo mi wana goma jekple mi apo motivational message nya kemi ko to ami aroporo nya kemi ko zo mi ogbazoli ale kemi akono azoli ajijeme le gbato me ke mi agere nya jojo gbalo mo jojo me aje ko mo cho nya jojo cho mi apo to mo le bo fia donc il va pas une bâtiment il ne m'y a pas le work ho technical university à l'Opoliam fima miele mais tu m'as beaucoup à côté d'économique à toquer ben mitia une bâtiment +2332426707773 et n'y a qu'à pour des chiffres mais attends aza à côté qu'à quoi plein +233 242-670 773 enya kapojo chi kemiatem akoche kabakle madakwana Vola Herbal Clinic to o damagbanami ala o kwa nyanchi nyakon fo nyakon wona o kata o mia bodom pe yo ke miam yo ke mian ko sabla Facebook a mi da kuku nyanglo nyakwe mko nyakwe mchocho nyakwe susuo nam ala makhlo kata le wona men na mi oni ma mi mian ko sam le YouTube ha miawo kanya ko nyigba TV le TikTok. Check out me, like, share, follow. Let's be friends and let's do it together. Yo, miajo pata agre miapa motivational message man. About motivational message. Ike miako tu miaro kyo miako zo azolia. Ele miapa TV yaoji pide kwa amare ango mio dare ya omo kobo nyakpo nya docho nyakwera. Be soft and cool like water, so you can adapt anywhere in life. Be hard and attractive like diamond, so no one can play with your emotions. Be soft and cool like water, so you can adapt anywhere in life. Be hard and attractive like diamond, so no one can play with your emotions. Amade, a deus su block, makoba, and jananic. Nyatem achozo nyaozo ni awe agboglombe mi kata mi shraleke mi bobo nai miano boboe miano fafere avechi gbasugbe fishafi kemi ya nyatewa nonyi le nchi fafama amado li a umotem nona hadomo umotona na mum umotona na tepeke ntasasalo tepeke libilibili tepeke amangugulo tepeka amang sosolo ala okwesebe yo fima alo fiaro ko yotano alo nano ko yatango. Be soft and cool like water, so you can adapt anywhere in life. See agbade madola so nanama ikama ma dozon nininio te paro le hihama ole gija iha paro ole gija nkekegbe liza dogbeli chijagbeli ndogbeli fidigbeli de ata na mojojo nyaje ngwowo wazu nkpekamo ngo va de takele miata aji mi strong like wo adapt na lo watano te pede share boboy nele amanta salagbo ajeba na nyale ke na tano boy nele amalogbo ajebe na nyalike na no boy nele te pare ke olo na ame nele te pare ke odalo lo fiana me ajebe na nyalike na no nene make nele te pare ke umuchode kalamo na mu ajebe na nyale na no. Be soft and cool like water. Ano te pa ano nyam yakabwa be menyam adoyi anya nyanya ano nyam adoyi kakabua be menyamo enyanya. So be hard and attractive like diamond, so no one can play with your emotions. Ala nanama be mi fatu mi bobo amota termianchi nyata no fishafi nyata bobo mi arokyo nyata masubo nyata nyefia nyata nyesubola nyata nyega nyata nyeglea ala nanama rakala mama. Donald Trump, American president, no young but nail tip toughness. Nail tip toughness. To be tough like the tip of a nail. Strong like lemma nanya make a sissing, gassing, a lebebe. A beplingo, katabachi boy. Be hard. Please put the message back on the screen for me. Now, I'm here, but Mikatamia strong a lake, one na tough. Ikaba mareke mate macho, Sesalama Lamo Colocodimo. Madeke macho, Sesalamo, Achocono, a codimo. Amodo Jipunoko, fla. Oh, Davi Monoco, Fifa, Anoteparaco, Ono Pombo, and Yebekebra Lamodome. Banya nene mai asone lemo ta nyasron aleke o nona tough. Be hard and attractive like diamond, so no one can play with your emotions. Good morning to all of you joining me in the transmission. Mary Olanyo Nyankosem, please, you are doing a great job. God bless you. Thank you, Mary, for your message. All right. Get me ajila Facebook, name Yankosen na Facebook, na I check up a plane. Agbato email Congo, time no day. Da na do message arako makalagano. All right, good morning to you, Donyan Kosem. Good morning to you. You can SMS me as well. Let your messages come. All right, me I get me up stories, so my training stories. Na je wancho we day.com. Me up bonkawele, me up to mafia. Amugan to ame. Yike toko dunya ho yemile ta. Me ajagba me a bonkawele me up to alo nyakawe ke me up to ha. So let's do that quickly. Now, first story there. Don't give interactiveness. Interactiveness. Na I interact with me. I don't just claim you nane ke hiana mi alabu. Ta mi mbone mi ape messages so katamba. Oh no, all right, Volta Region Corps UK Partnership for Growth. Volta Region Corps UK Partnership for Growth. James Gunu, bla Yaguaro, Fanonome, Tatama Pomala Fuma, Gunu by the UK, a Macadu Coppola America, Alawa, Nkamu Vilafma. Boblodon amuganto na betadu ko ikenya Europe ko UK be no check up la amuganto tuturoma enya big story la fiandia. The Volta Regional Minister James Gunu has held talks with Ghana's High Commissioner to the United Kingdom, Her Excellency Sabah Zita Benson, to strengthen partnerships and promote investment opportunities in the region. According to him, the meeting focused on advancing priority development initiatives in the Volta region with a commitment to driving growth and improving livelihoods. The minister's visit to the UK is aimed at engaging key development partners to support the region's development agenda. Gunu expressed optimism about the potential for collaboration, highlighting the region's rich resources and strategic location as attractive to investors. And I'm quoting Gunu. I'm encouraged by her warm reception and commitment to supporting our efforts, Gunu said, emphasizing the importance of building strong international relationships. The minister's delegation also explored opportunities for collaboration in areas such as agriculture, tourism, and infrastructure development. The High Commissioner Zaba Zita Benson reaffirmed Ghana's commitment to strengthening ties with the UK, highlighting the importance of partnerships in driving economic growth and development. The meeting is expected to pave the way for future collaborations and investments in the Volta region. James Gunu la UK, via Dogo Player, Zita Benson, Kenya, Miodu Kokora John Dramani Mahama Tekwenola, Europe, Dukoma, Kenya, UK, United Kingdom. Miracle Mojaka Chadifo, le Miashela Montomafia. Agble de Nigbale Miashi. Mo Popoliver over Anibali Blagada, or Tatu, Digio, Supo, Ho, Clamon. You don't have better to call Mato, Yokele, Europe, Nova, Perea, Sheila, Volta Janafia. Arabo to Duaro. Yema James Gunu is in the UK as John Dramani Mahama is in the Americas. Akpe na James Gunu awle doji ke na ya akpogbo mikpotane pepe toke ma me kana le ma jiwe na ya gboko ma de picture dare ya o ma ko tora fun ke investment anava amaro ha o wa mia bialo alo nye ta nye o ba de na du ko la pa re yo ko nto ma ji pala no pa me regional minister of Yare do chuchum le upon tom agbudu kopalanchi I beta do come a court for investment and I'm sure we will discuss that issue. I'm sure we discuss that issue. Mino tojira for Ganya mia power challenge bena. All right. Mia Zorengo, Nana Grada, Nuola Hojujo, Ikazu Maunya Kakala, Nana Agrada, Nono Tata Jamafia, Nkobo, and Nana Agrada. Prison transforms Agrada's spiritual journey. Makba Agrada plus Ronefia. Former Fetish priestess turned evangelist Patricia Sedwe Siama, popularly known as Nana Agrada, has opened up about the profound impact of a time in prison, describing it as a transformative period, strengthening her spiritual life. That's strengthening her spiritual life. So Agrada shared her experiences during a recent interview highlighting the challenges she faced and the lessons she learned. Agrada, known for a controversial past as a fetish priestess, has undergone a significant transformation, becoming a prominent evangelist and founder of the Heaven's Gate Ministries. A time in prison, she revealed, was a period of introspection and spiritual growth, during which she deepened her relationship with God. And I'm quoting her, I was able to focus on my spiritual life, and it was a time of great transformation for me. I got that on my part. Ika nyangwola toji mashika gari wala ika Yesu waho aloba Yesu hoye be ire prisoner yonkumro bako igare rokima ye chila gbogboma ye kpututuro ye lika be Yesu ama ye gare rokima bitan chogba nchi hugaka fia egbo yonkumako Agrada ajujone mu mi ko sebo nya ikanya borang na yanto premikata magawe azon. All right, Lincoln University revokes honorary degree for Mahama amid controversy. Lincoln University revokes honorary degree for Mahama amid controversy. University, Kenya Lincoln University America, you could be by your double to hear John Dramani Mamanchi. But Dokita call, you could have call, you could Danarama won't oppose you for any Agadorifia and Kejo. Over Kudesh were John Dramani Mamma was Sassan, a cochachi terror, but Dodoman was Samuchi, then Mata. You're snobbing, your moga, over on your amo doctor. In a shocking turn of events, Lincoln University has cancelled the planned conferment of an honorary degree on Ghana's President John Dramani Mahama, citing unforeseen circumstances. The decision comes amidst growing concerns over the anti-LGBTQ bill pending before Ghana's parliament. Well, I like the slant of the story. If Namdala Pato, Yamia in America, na so which is a dagger, Yatomitobi, Okanyam for playing Bokoyo, Doji, Platon, of Mavide, Lincoln University, or the Bubunchi, or where you but doctor, on your Bubuko, Bubu, honoris cosa, Gaka, the job to Yoko, whoever rushing magic bomb. Go with a do Cocra John Dramani, my first say, Aronayo block. alo sare ke gabaga le bia paso ta ko ha go fi like nya bo do ba ro sang for sia yetai. So the university had initially announced that President Mahama will receive the honorary doctorate on March 26, 2026. Nyanya te ma choi ke bona ke yara gbe yo di wo mnyapa du kokora John Dramani Mahama onyo doctor in recognition of his global leadership and advocacy for reparative justice. However, the university now reverses the decision without providing further details. That mnyapa bolo ni rafia e klomemele o kwesa badu kokora nyaro blokle saro be awocho bototo maro samunji uchu na don uchu bonyo na don uchu bo na ba apurege ala na ba sorege ala na ba chipakperege ala mo ya de potu nyang ya kenya fomo onya gbomole kaka ru na za ko nyagumole bidako mi kata boda bu mama mun cheba mahama pe ya ba ku na hikawa duko kata yo ke plama chu Afrika fia boto kore nyagbo ta ko to Afrika duko ba alo ko to Afrika duko chi pe nya ile tamne mahama ita o ina Amerika duko moru ita boda bunchi nke bala jo obo roshi mahama wo bo ho na ji ala ba yo manya ke bi ko chofia mo ba go glombe LGBTQ nyai I don't know. The conferment was meant to highlight President Mahama's contributions to demonstrate to democratic governance, international cooperation, and social justice. He had been expected to address the United Nations General Assembly, presenting a resolution seeking global recognition for the transatlantic slave trade as a crime against humanity. Lincoln University, the first degree-granting historically black college and university in the United States, has not publicly stated the reasons behind the cancellation. The move has sparked widespread debate, with many questioning the motivation behind the decision. President Mahama has been a vocal advocate for reparative justice and has received several honorary degrees from institutions worldwide. Hey, are you sure? All right, me see the fear. Bira ko Lincoln University enya mai boss kokoko la America yike nana degree ikanya bagbatale bale fifi koko da gbara mo ba nya pale nyala amebo suku gbanto yen suku koko abele gon amebo le gon la America enya Lincoln University la Lincoln Abraham Lincoln yen tu koko la America yike ta defire abolition of slavery, declaring slavery as a crime. That Abraham Lincoln with dash agba, but now my nyoka jaga plame ibo, alo chagba to washi. Plame to figure jana me plela kakala jakweto. No lama. Abraham Lincoln, yo sama kaka dia amu kalo plame. Ola you vivi kona is. Kaka enjoy it. Da Ocho University ma Banya Brown Lincoln University. Ngejo ke bala jo ko pela ko bubu owo de ma o tefira malu ta mama boboge doctoral title ya manomi. Right, First Lady Lordina Mahama champions global empowerment in Washington. Mega Lordina ono tatapo mafia. First Lady Lordina Mahama is currently in Washington, D.C. at the invitation of the First Lady of the United States, attending the prestigious Fostering the Future Together Global Coalition Summit. Fostering the Future Together Global Coalition Summit. This significant gathering brings together influential leaders and advocates to address critical issues impacting global development and empowerment. And the summit provides a platform for First Lady Lordina Mahama to share Ghana's experiences and best practices in promoting women's empowerment and youth development. Her participation underscores Ghana's commitment to advancing the United States. Lordina ono tata kuda bubuchi opi Dukopola Trump strong, Melinda Trump, Melinda Trump, alo Melina. Trump, Mel Trump, Kenya Donald Trump strong. Okbe, kana dukopola strong, bo na ba fum na yo. Alabo yo dam to mo ba yo kata yo tu. Yo rokyo, yo kwa dukopola yo nyonmo, ple difio kwa chomero, abe Amerikawe ne. Kati eba kachacha toki ade ma kagene miyantum. O ba lodina na bagbomi o le Ghana ne hikam du ko kata numa o nya yo ke ta lodina ma yire du ko mamoro ke Dr. Do applauds Mohammed's UN Odyssey for reparatory justice. Dr. Do applauds Mohammed's UN Odyssey for reparatory justice. Okay, makbo Dr. Do kwa norma tatalefia. Makbo Dr. Do kwa norma tatalefia. And Dr. Do very prominent member of the whole Central Constituency NDC. As a prominent member of the whole Central Constituency NDC, I, Honorable Dr. Robert Kofi Do, believe President John Dramani Mahamad's forthcoming visit to the United Nations is a masterstroke that promises to catalyze Ghana's economic resurgence. This diplomatic odyssey transcends routine international engagement, representing a deliberate effort to reposition Ghana as a champion for reparatory justice. Dr. Robert Kofi Do, du kopola moyo zo in America, Yapon, America, club, du kopata yo plamacho Africa. Dova wu do sesena yo for make alola shible toke kakaji o kata ntepe onye wo mtu kokbara le eji globe na nagabe bubu na no africanchi betadu ko na to kore miagbo alewe ko perem de shade ke hia o enami alabe mi atogwe yo ke ba yafuma kata do no miagbo yo pere mianchi alabe mikpo ngoya aleke ngole na mi ba mano na ma Nkpolo mahodo Ethiopia no trova mia zorengo Tony Magbo enya mia kulun.
Ago. Oh, what is? Let go join.
Oh, very ma. Ibadah kuilam lomo, kakek tu kui. Katanya cuma traditoi. Pokoknya uang sepelekele.
Oh.
Neng ma fam. Neng ma datang matu. Ma nasi kau. Kau belum.
Dari nanti Abraham fi baraka inele ya pati katifanya gbogbo ya wa. Basi hasbena di dile nuna mfia. Koko ina duna fa gare wonye ya nya pa no pasi bani ko he wontan nya nkura wa. Bola pasi ko nya ko katara ge.
Bo. Ma nasi kau.
Vai batakalu subo. Ita bika dada sikremon tonto. Bola pati ko wa busielo wetosira.
Ire vola togbo. Ye man no chika ko mokpong jaja.
Vola chika no plan. Na zama. Fiva nana kama furaga na mashama nazi.
Nyapa todo wala todo fita. Itanye za vola chika. Nyato matoro ha. Woza vola chika fufu jijila ama.
This vola piki. Yeah. Vola baby.
Ma una ira vola to. Ona una masa.
Vola pachika wala chika drapo kata alo gado pa dayo pa mala akblawu ojango St. Peter and Paul Catholic Church atututu le hoa apola old fashioned la akwe kala hwahwe gada wojila agodoma Yellow House Street ojango local restaurant atututu opa dopo la budi gba ochogba chongdiga adrekla afava dashina fiega aton kala mamlida gbawa oja dogoma ndiga andrekla afa wadashina ndogawi efe pokana vola le 0244 512 1452
Vola
Nina ne miayi Vola eba senta Afima mia poto yola Nyadeba Vola Efi valo Akuloli le fude now Alele le fude now Domaru le fude now Echite padaka Ufuto makata Colonoba. Naila Vola Heba Center. Ikele Jango Apla. Victoria Park. Afima Kodoro. Wotu Akame. Wakuto. Wofukame. Wofukame tutu dokada. Vola Heba Center. Dr. Prosper Debeneva. Akodoro. Come on. Vola.
Kadon kwajiba vola pachika monyuna funo nyonu yo no nama vi kle de fi o mo hoppo wi afo.
Ago. Oh, what the? Let go, Joy.
Oh, baby, ma. Bà đã quên làm đồ cái tụi quỷ, ta nhận too much traditory, một những warm rất là khét là, những mà vật phẩm, những mà thật mà chung, mà nó chỉ có vô cùng.
Dari nanti Abraham fi baraka inele ya pati katifanya gbogbo ya wa. Basi hasbena dijila nuna mfia. Koko ina duna fa gare wonye ya nya pa no pati bani ko hi wontam nya nfura wa. Bola pati ko nya ko katara gbe.
Bo. Mano chiko ko no ke plolo.
Vai batakalu sugo. Ita bika dada sikramon tonto. Bola pati ko wa busielo weto sira.
Wa yire vola to gbo. Ye man no chika ko makpong jaja.
Vola chika no pla. Na zama fiva nana kama furaga nawo. Mashama nazi.
Miapa toto wala toto fita. Itanye za vola chika. Miato matoro ha. Woza vola chika fufu jijila ama.
This Vola Piki.
Yeah.
Vola baby.
Mauna yura vola to. Onaula masa.
Vola pachika wala chika drapo kata alo gado pa doyo pa mala akblawu wo jango St. Peter and Paul Catholic Church atututu le hoa apola old fashioned la akwen kala hwahwe gada woji la agodoma Yellow House Street wo jango local restaurant atututu opa dopo la hudi gba ochogba chongdiga adrekla afaba dashina fiega aton kala mamli da gbawa oja dogoma ndiga andrekla afa adashina ndogawi afa pokana vola le 0244 512 1450
Vola.
Nina nemi ayi. Vola Heba Center. Afima mi apoto yo la. Nyadeba. Vola. Efi valo. Aklori le fuda now. Alele le fuda now. Domaru le fuda now. Achite padaka. Ufuto makata. Mele to wonyi de wa. Eti ma Colonoba. Na ile Vola Heba Center. Ikele Jango Apla. Victoria Park. Afima Kodoro. Wotu Akame. Wakuto. Wofukame. Wofukame tutu dokada. Vola Heba Center. Dr. Prosper Debeneva. Akodoro. Come on. Vola.
Yo miapen kola mi da pana mi be mi hoji body mana mi va odoro aro ukere kavaro ta mi hodo chuchuki ma be ya wasi chotora kavaro afi azorango bala wonao akpana mi alaka gbegbe yo abarake mi o mi nyana ne mi trogbola ka mi ganare nya jojo bala ko apa ba o me mi trome ke Bamia Jagumacho, my joy online. Yakbom Kawele joy quickly. Mia chofuma ayi the city newsroom. Kami chofuma mia agare newspaper so front pages so. Tamre kukume ko joy dara fuma ka ne mia azodango. Donc kujiba apa party via Facebook ataglo ko tamso arure mi oponchuchu arure mi la Facebook. Ke nanamake ateng ade wo adam alo ususu alo unchuchu ato le +25242 6707773G na we nami kabako mi okata khlege gba to ha le to ke donc jibo Pemba TV gale YouTube ji gale TikTok ji ta fun okata ateng asemian kole le gba to me My Joy Online. My Joy Online. Please, I want My Joy Online on the screen. quickly. All right. Na be a check out me, ebe ya dojo me, ebe ya peremiachi, ano magbanami, alawe miyome mile, na kakari hea katama, check out me fa. Number yo kwa me TV ya joko ya tayo anytime. Ko mi pagare mo lo bublu dodo me. All right. Ngbanto le fuma le mi TV ya jiho inye what's trending. So many papers today, trust me. So many papers today. That the music is kaba. Okay, big push. Kwame Agboja reveals major road projects hit 50% completion. Agboja kono watata je jam le fia over moyo ka yodo dom le big push program ama akbaganto yo on afam. So moyo kata do don ta Mamma was applauding me, Montina, me who applauded like a mama jamba 50% completer. Na who applaud Mama Lamo, Gabo Jana Trova or Lampuranga Bomolanchime. Transatlantic slave trade was designed to deny Africans their humanity. Mahama, I'm a popular. I try for Godo, Ike Africa, go with Sumba or Africa at all. U.S. is normalizing the erasure of black history, says Mahama in New York. U.S. is normalizing the erasure of black history. Dukopla of Brombe, America, Amaibo, where Jochofwe, Fenunya Tutum Bebe, Mamanyu. Rhodes Minister clarifies. Big Push says 54 new projects, 23 inherited contracts. We need to reclaim dignity and humanity for Africans. Africans. OSP drops charges against 2 accused in MPA extortion case, turns them to state witnesses. OSP Garafia Maro Yoka Olebe Ubrushire Koga Mafia Rashi Chaji Kafumono, a 4 week or a Shinchalaba Ovale or Pajiwa also that's a phone. All right, City, quickly. World Bank commits $75 million to restore Ghana's cocoa farms. All right, Ota Gajarofa, you can do Kota Upo Gajarofa World Bank. Choga $75 million got the Ghana cocoa but the Nyaume be Oka Remave Nami Amogo Brombe. Okay, you can get the story. You can get the story. There's so much to do today, so many things to look at. So but those are the headlines, trust me. So Gamo no Namia. Is it dash or is it loan? Nanya loan a loan. Journalist, if it's loan, write loan. If it's grant, write grants. That is how you do journalistic reporting. Period. Headline okay. Ms. Orengo. We are working to clear 32 million euro debt to UK investors. Okay, Deputy High Commissioner. All right. MTN Ghana backs faced digital re-registration drive. MTN Ghana backs faced digital re-registration drive. Ghana view kaya gumle UK come over yo fakano. MTN dofa ba yo magbane SIM card re-registration. Sam George phone, Sam George where Ghana card Malaysia, you SIM card I'm registered. Interesting. Sam Jata George, Minister for Communication, Yaya Ghana card Malaysia. She may register SIM card. They are ye who is a bear. Esla, but Dokatawa, na fake. Fake Jata, where I feel no registration. I'm going to get to that very soon. We'll come back to that. Mahama, US normalizing the erasure of black history. Sam George, SIM registration will come at no cost to taxpayers. Sam George, na ro mi agbo mi a register mi fa simo card bi o mi chop call out me agbo mi aba ngo mi afonko. All right, minorities petitions to SP strike to probe OBOG office innovation contract. MPP told the parliament Bank of Ghana quota gajerofa Ghana where the culture na go but to you what you gamma national standard with Doma national standard with which 11 million or so Ghana cities per Ghana. Africa's role in building Europe, New World overlooked. Mahama Wogombe Africa, what do you call Africa? For side for you go to Keshino Duko America, Europe, Ikaye. Bankufuji, Kolebu crisis, GMF pushes for digitized bed management system. Kolebu Ghana GMA, Ghana Medical Association, yeah, I should think so. Pushes for digitized bed management. Computer, also, ano, abanama mole Kolebu. GMA, digitized bed management problem myself. Umi choba wa ko dare mo fu me ba mo no mo ba ji abayo lo cho mo dare sikiji sikioyo lo cho mo mo erengba bi fi mo no fu wa ko na fu na mari no fu mo de fu na mari bitu koji abona no you has pletoli sukuvi do doza nya ne do mo no wo you don't come and you mention some just anyhow thing, spend a lot of money. Digitize what? Digitize the chairs and the congested rooms. Mahama transatlantic trade crime that must be recognized. Okay, Kumasi 1 year after fire, traders still struggle and improvise shelters. Oh, Kumasi Shiare kala jo po ekre kanye agbe ba logbe Kumasi shiare jo wazefia amomukpo no po and improvise, but shelters have always been improvised in markets. Come to home market and say tadu kopola baba pe moji mila ko. All right, nya gere nya jojo gban o fa pa gban toji nya po nkawele nya jojo gban la gban to pa oji ya na yo jima na yire ngba TV ji le Facebook alawe na po mi o reklamere nshang la ma fili manya oyina ba ko nya gbomo. All right, so let's start with many newspapers are there. Yide ngba TV ji le Facebook alawe na ipo na jojo gban o pe ta gba to yoke majom mi le. Okay, mi ajegoma Metrolinx. Ghana has over 30 slave castles and forts, more than any other African country. JM. Interesting na kudu kokwa lapa udoko gwabala of former John Dramani Mahama Plechichi Ibo l'America agwagwombe mo blato yikenye amesichamo eho ganganga yokonyoba mo efiasa mo yiko glaja mo blato yele Ghana efiabe Ghana enya fiko amapoplo kata le turbo paji ya ulono choni vachona fana afi tuna moyo makwena America ko betatu ko mamno man alo Ghana vie nye amapoplo yoko sugbawo enyave history penya gbon. We are talking about 526 years ago. Vado 126 years ago penya. Tamia mekata la gbagba mi ma pore kreta fo history ko gbo memele. History klama hamale. History gbo mara now. This is something that happened from 526 years ago to 126 years ago. 30 slave castles and forts, more than any other African countries. Le Ghana de, ne yikata Fort Princess in le fuma. Elle kata antonto. Kata la chakwa me, jeluko ko ngule kata fia. Ne yosu castle la fuma. Ne yi Asha Fort elle again. Osu Castle, James Fort Lee, Nayi Elmina, Boremo Matanya Glom, Tukopla Glomole. James Fort, Elegay, Asha Fort, Elegay, Osu Castle, Fort Tower, Onye Sui, To Castle, Onye Tepo Gown, Yoke, Europa. Efia alo queen pepe nola vano ta no keta princess slave soli hajano le aplokle demudowi. So the couple history mishakwana the couple great history. NHIA commissions 4 boats to improve healthcare access on Votale. Jiru kwa doga ke pora konji fomase pa balenana gbogbo yo jo akro omen toji women ko dare nyapo amuaji be amugodo to afran president ma hinkro afran plains beto or yafuma anyway afran plains is eastern region. So yes yema ta milk dodgem like Togodo, Amugodo, you have 4 boats. But why boats? And anyway, French award based on professional merit, former CDS boss. French award based on professional merit, former CDS boss. Mahama reversing economic recovery, MPP. MPP to nyambela wichara ahiagbanya pomlafia ahiagba ikanya National Communications Officer na MPP gbogbulombe dukopola wa fododo enanam dukopo ganyo keje dododo hwe ga gbogbulomleji Tetewe Mahama yova dom inako itogava do le flema bichahagba bino kona be do ma here choba ta from prayer child agba ahagba mi akole ke mi awra Osei Kofi I second tenure as MPP Eastern Regional Secretary. All right. Okay, this is just politics. Let's go to the Observer. The Observer. Big story. Bakbo Sami Jemfio no tatarefia. Mikro bobo langbone. Yeah, a young boy. Corruption allegations are Dobri MP petitions OSP over dubious 11.2 million Ghana City Gold Board deal. Dobri MP. Dobri to for so takwa me yila. Amo gadore jiru dobada OSP ke bona mboko blasre du ko gam gaglagle. Be contract sole source contract de ko da shine Stado bebeoche yikaumo de moba mabubu na pomo abli hona doma enye zangugu enye mfiti OSP na grenya machanto. Lincoln University withdraws Mohammed's honorary doctorate over LGBTQ concerns. Ayo Jukokwa no mtata kalafia gombe Lincoln University amebo University banto ikenana degrees kukokola America ikebe yako botana nyapo dukokola John Dramani Mahama odabagbe wona mamta Mahama magbo degree honorary degree to Lincoln University nke nyanya obibe yo se sosa yo be award bododo maro se unchitai. Kolebu crisis, GMA pushes for digitized bed system to ease health care pressure. Kolebu toko nyale fia, Kolebu toko nyale fia, my Professor Ernest Yok Pomafia, Ghana Medical Association to president. Ni agbomo gbogbo fifi alo na to funji ato computer ji afi na bona koleburo ga na baro abana baro abana no ya no jom I shake my head baby high. Garbage in, garbage out. Computer meduna for abajo. Computer medjana dono ro. Computer medana bare flimo. Amawe computer trigger graph your door. Be the kukulo, don't waste our money. Clear the shit in that system. Please clear the mess in that system. I think I run computer when you're blown. Alright. Soloku Festival storms Menshia South as MP pushes jobs and unity. Soloku Festival storms Menshia South as MP pushes jobs and unity. Alright. Another big story, next big story, Soul sourcing row. Government defense big push insists procurement process was lawful. Mayor Agboja, Honorable Kwame Governors, Agboja Minister for Roads and Highways, that we talk with a member of parliament. Patience, because I'm calling you share. Let me you are sending messages. Good morning to you. Soul sourcing row. Doda regime. Alo declamide da regime cho areke na domo amododo mo le gban yo ke do kopla do don big push for na. Agboja gogo ba le ke na do contract ona ko bla cho yo mo dashi contract abu wo ba bli ho o cha me ke nyu na do yo nto yo nyam yo ko cho do na period na ko ko chama. All right. Mizo miaire ngo miapo the Accra Times. The Accra Times. The Accra Times. Mama storms UN on transatlantic slave trade, criticizes slave trade as dehumanizing. Yes, the popular John Dramani Mahama, Pulova Gamen. La bagara fa fama l'America du come do chichibo bablombe am popula wona ikeba iji la yo vuko meta go do me ikeba na ba me bo wa so abo mo l'America enya umano sen nya flodon se sen to kekiaka brono ba he attention premier vous. All right. Parliamentary democracy, Bagbing speaks out. Bagbing on total fear over bag with Poncho. Gwerema Glore, Sosomina Swe, Dupo, na Yike, so Takbahano, Tadena, La Fumane Gina Rakling. Ayariga, upon you marking concur. Eh, Ayariga, upon you marking concur. Over Gombe, Mopo Ayariga, no total fear. Ayariga, Pono, total fear. Ikenya. Majority leader long nola na NDC to le so takwa hama ke nola na MPP to so takwa o no ta le obe jibanto amavea o beji ayariga fanyo makin konke ayariga pra fanyo makin pegbe o jegbeji fiabo o lore nyare kachi. Soul sourcing claims roads minister sets record straight. All right, Jukokbola o tata le fia Agboja no tata le fia ole tolo kuku blojo me o to fokwa blojo fiabo to o glombe yo to do yo chona yo ko contractor o yo ko yo mo fa ko ba mo no ba pi ko na do yo to yan mi om yo le na ko ya ma mu Agboja nya blom Agboja sell Ghana lo boost for Black Stars. Ibrahim Muhammad doles out $5 million. Dukopara uche Ibrahim Mahama ono tatarefia oba Mahama uche na $5 million bo no chokore abo fu habo Black Stars kana bolu fula uchi bo no kogere hikame bo we publica jiga l'America to come nchi Ayariga supports 244 students. They enjoy financial assistance. All right. Mama Ayariga bere sukuviaro nchi sukuvina no magbogbo nchi 214 I should think. Thank you. Supreme Supreme. Next paper. Supreme newspaper. Supreme newspaper. Gabriel Tanko Komiga to play. Vindicated as court declares Yoko's account freeze unlawful in Sesi Edem case. Magbo Komiga Amugang Tome for Chacha Toke Ikel Adam Tula Kauman Kokplola Dome. Gabriel Tanko Komiga to play vindicated as court declares Yoko's account freeze unlawful in Sesi Edem case. Oyo shi atoplepe gaoji le banki pesubo makpo mo are o alabe Yoko jiru do ko ke pona me o ke zana asichamon alo asichafia so asichado ko lona ko ga rache keme be o do shi atoplo gaji o ko se be money laundry atople garolong gagbogbolong de kaje vide visue ko gagbogbolong gaga ke obinazabe atoklenye fiti wala obere yamo bu bomlo ko kaba ke minashi atoklenchi no fu minashi fa ganchi ne yen to gae kan to nye shikakula onye as court declares Yoko's account freeze and lawful in Sesi Edem case. Sesi Edem prenyare yike o chore atoklenchi ye ta oroshi komiga atoklepe gaji ponda. Coming out to play. Maybe you talk on one of these days on our show. Council of State member for Volta Genema. General Opom Pepra breaks silence on French award, emphasizes professional merit. Okay, General Opom Pepra no tatalafma wo ne award nkala Government dismisses sole sourcing claims, defines big push as lawful and transparent. Abuja all the way. Abuja is trending. So that will be our discussion today, one of our discussions today. All right, President visits Nobi Agricultural, spotlighting the promise of Ghana's agricultural future. America, dead news. All right. Retraction and apology. Rich Morgan Engineering has no relationship with pump mechanic arrested for fuel theft. Okay, all right. 5 years after clan heads met up, Pram elders accuse paramount chief of mastermind. Hey, 5 years after clan heads met up, Pram Benyaga Jelafia Ober, Humachicho, Huisaber, Efiaga, Pramfiaga, Lamabana, Yopa, Humatako, Pram. Ayo, Madubana, Sam George, Member of Parliament, Pram. The source. Mahama is reversing country's economic gains, MPP. Richard here by Kenya Yandala Gane MPP, la Dakata Globo, Pichala Fiaglagada, Ewo Blomberi, Mahamari, Adukok Yon Tueko, Ukubadu, Zonaro, Wanaba Fliman, New York, Madum Banambe or Mobile, Dolapum, Ama, Chacham Hikam, Mom and Mawin, Naika Duka Niga, maybe on his own. Mahama Lincoln University and Ken Ofori-Atta on ice. Mahama Lincoln University, Ken Ofori-Atta on ice. Balabe Mahama Lincoln University, Ken Ofori-Atta, Haoli, America become big push deals, only 44% sole source minister. Governors like Bojagbo, Blomba, Moyo, Chona Mobuno, I'm a bland von la lofara kamako, you want to you chacho do dashino no me. Government's big push contract minority demands transparency. Every bit over Abuja Tashona Pro, yo G Natapo, Wakonta Chito na yo Makawe, Ucho do dashina, to homegi, Makawe to Pomome Bodo, Makawe to Sir Monji. Ajo Safo calls for mental health funding donates to Pantai. Ajo Safo, yeah, pretty lady. Kenova, that's one who Ajua Safo ike ganye tomi kwa biato kwa MP hoho vai no tata ejeje mafia vai na pantai susuma dolala kwa doda pogbo. All right, messages are coming. Good morning to you, Patience Ahujo. Cho Adaklu. Hello, message number. Good morning to you. You are doing fine. I'm fine also, Patience. Thank you for your message. If you have a message, Makagan Maka Arab email you. Le majiji ma madongo chucho hoga Arab Niagara Nyama Jujume. Ta mamopom na NPP to NDC to yang dala wo perencela Nyama Jujume. Kena bedashi baru bonya ba ubaroko mi roga Arab gereji nyajo nyame. Apa yang bati mi pon di ona nyaji. Nyapon chucho no va pam. Cha. The Daily Gist. Banya speaks at LSC African Summit on AI. Wow. Former Vice President, Dr. Alhaji Mahamudu Bamian Kogele, London School of Economics, show AI digitization doctor. Cho AI nya mokokwe dang mafung mobajapa dang ye yaro ko chongo ma ba mawe ne otacho blo otacho perenwo otacho nanaso otanya afunapun otanya gbonajo nwo wa ji fianya acha ye yo nya mu adang ye yo funji dang ye yo funji dang AI funji dang o nya gbo mele Baumia London School of Economics Mahama Lincoln NDC dishes 5,000 police lost to activists. Hey, big story. Nyagban gang glagadaikele bala utadele fia mikpo banada. NDC dishes 5,000 police lost to activists. Obe amakpa ton yo kenye NDC to akwapo wo chodona le covido kwa amakoko de covido do pame. Hey, Daily Gist. NDC dishes 5,000 police lost to activists. Tadudoya kema mole nchobo yo mahonda povito do bama. NDC to we hodo. Daily Gist banaya Daily Gist milenkura banana. Mahama reset economy is broke. Government borrows cash to pay workers. Hey, agbalabe dukobola. Fue Ghana iko be gbogbo gatutuma egbagba egadodoje dukopora le efegba so kutukopola dodo na mi egado mo le chokfo khemle dollar we bagono tata mala kuma Dr. Atofose Minister of Finance no tata kuma Amerelejia Minister for Interior minority petitions OSP strikes here the over global deal with Standogbe. Ayo MPP to chonyare global sami da fi odo branch bozuka da fi ocho don Standogbe proche obibi manu mi aro to pon onwe ha. Roads Minister awards 81 sole source contracts in 7 months at 73 billion Ghana cedi. Miapwe Roads Minister Kenya da kutopo MP yo nyaga lefia ogbe dore kaka bomba blani wore ko cho dam obono wo modu do kweto 73 billion Ghana cedis yo cho to megmegbi acho dam o shibono ba wo to alo to ga gbegbe saga jidura le to mai ko ho hobebli akonta hobebli nkude de manomi. Tema, plane crash victims to be buried on Saturday. Ayo memile agbona. Nyoche yo kule tema, community 1. O choga dedo, o liga, sorry, togwe ogbo babanami. Majimanya wa politicians so le bonya, ta na politicians so wa mina manya. The news center. MTN to disburse 6.4 billion in 2025 dividend. MTN yo MTN be yo do yo COVID guy magara na amoka cho ko gade ko do me 6.5 billion. Money good. Alright, 44% of major road contracts sole source Abuja. Abuja is trending. Abuja is trending. Abuja where the 44% of contracts are sole source. Rail projects toll as only 73 million CDs allocated in 2 years. Public debt jumps 11.3 billion. From 49.9 billion in 2024 to 61.3 billion in 2025. Hey, news center be jibugo gayo le du comme vieux pepe ta du comme vieux chi enya 49.5 billion le 2024 ke du kokwa akoko na do danko akufo ado no do don shiachi egba ke mi infoma gara jireji gadodo jireji million de karaka hu 11.9 billion me ka cho billion lo billion me million no 11.9 billion that's almost 120 trillion ye du kokola ye yado ai ke mahama bajiji a cho shigbe u baro fo ike wun cho yako 11.9 billion dollars. That's almost 120 trillion cedis. Agayelo 120 trillion cedis. Economy actually just gahoko. It has 1.2 quintillion. I just got a very good money. Government moves to protect Daman mine workforce, all right? Scrap security services recruitment charges, Hosi. So, Hosi, Bok or top of Domagalifia Bokomba, Gaya, Homola Moshi, I feel the kind but no flat banner. I feel Oboy or policy dome, 220 cities. Ojujoma Kabanto. Government moves to protect Daman mine workforce. Jidudu, Boglomba, Yoga Daman. Shikaku Dopame, Alaba Yokbere, Doron Chibo, Domagabo, Emmanuel Kofi Amabua, Kenya Lands and Natural Resources Minister Anya Blom. Idakua, Dukoporoche, Mine Ma Alo, Shikaku, Tumakashikupa, Doroma Home. Yaka, you Kakarijina, Dorovio, Lefma, Dovio, Lefma Chambere, Umunyago, Idakunya, Bomolina. All right, the statesman. Minority flags abandoned road projects as government defends big push. Okay. Minority flags abandoned road projects as government defends big push. Statesman were NPP to Odope GBB Blocho Aleke Uja Motu Trabakonji agenda wa Petomo Ego Jiruya Wala Shionchi Afi va do chom modo do chom namu abo moy ka jizomola amawa kona yo. Lands Ministry pledges competitive process to secure Daman mine investor. Boa kono tataga le fiago glombe Daman Shikaku nya galefia migmanyama. All right. Koka urges Mahama to open Akomadan Local Government University. Okay, Akomadan University, Akomadan Toma Uchi, no Bonovi. I just have calls for full implementation of Mental Health Act. It's also here. Just have no metatarafia. No, Joe Susuma Dolale Nchi Lagana. XCD says dismisses espionage allegations over French honor. CDS, Domaga Hoho, Ike Odebubunchi, le French du Come, Ike Obum Nazabe Chopo, do le Fia, Sacrisane Français du Co, Jirua Gomerem, Jurua Commodore no Francis du Queta the Bunchi Abamalamo. Adiantova Pumbakbo award yo na abotapo pojeshi ko kona cho Francis du Koma ye kon tepo water mo fura saklisa sana Yahudu Korkanchu. The Sukata. Why Africa's creators must lead the movement to build Africa's billion consumer single market. Baumia to address London School of Economics Africa Summit. Baumia le London. Mfugacho AI. All right, Republic Press. A quick one. Republic Press. Republic Press. OSP cuts deal in MPA case. OSP cuts deal in MPA case. Adopt suspects as star witness. So let me just read this one. A significant twist has emerged in the high-profile extortion case linked to the former chief executive of the National Petroleum Authority, Mustafa Abdul Hamid, as the Office of the Special Prosecutor has withdrawn charges against 2 accused persons and turned them into state witnesses. At proceedings before Criminal Court 3 of the Accra High Court on Monday, the 4th and 5th accused persons, Albert Ankra and Isaac Mensah, were formally discharged after agreeing to cooperate with prosecution. Garo Yokobu, Yuka La Dopa National Petroleum Authority, but Dopa Mustafa Abdul Hamid, no Tadana, Fenya Glomola. Over Amado Cha, Uchong Baba, O Toshio, Jiba, Obu Fo, Bere Opa Domaga, Mustafa Hamid, Inchi, Yoko, Konya, Albert Ankra, Isaac Mensah, O Lonzo York Bere, Chidudu for Dopa Kenya, OSP for Dopa Chiba, Obu Fo. Mustafa Hamid. Donc, we have National Petroleum Authority. Ghana National Petroleum Authority. Doopea, Penyaya, Nidashinya Manchibo. Ronku, Chikata Regia, GMPC, Fast Track Airport, Penya. All right, Lincoln University Council's Mahama visit over LGBT concerns. All right, Mamonya Galifia. EU warns Ghana against recruitment into Russia-Ukraine war. Okay, the Tubular Life Yayaka, okay, EU toppers, Security Chief Kappa Kalas, and Kappa Kalas was born a Ghana here, attention of Pomino, then Menya Mirashi Ghana, Hiranchibola, Le Russia, where you creva, Namwakaji, Matoto Brow, one Russia before, attention, you might blog a phone. All right, EV charging stations must get Energy Commission approval, Jinapo. Okay. Minority demands full details of Big Push Road contract. All right. Stephen, Agboja is in the news for all the reasons. We will be looking at that if we have time. The new publisher, the new publisher. Big Push secret. 50 billion series contracts. Minority blow alarm. Okay, Makbo Honorable Kennedy Nyako Osei, Kenya, a change sword to talk where a member of parliament for the Tatarafia will rumble. Big Push, a more do one I can do at that to make it different. But Big Push secret 50 billion Ghana State contracts, minority blow alarm. Over Abuja from Coque La Fia, Loco Donama Mubunva, and Yapuran scrap a Greek ministry. Fabag give ultimatum to government. Oh wow, Fabag Tonya agreed dog panchi and Jiro Dopper Quanag, the Yajibo for Maro Twin Dorocomo. Man receives beatings for campaigning against the eating of dog and cat meat. By the other man, Babombo Mugabu, I've played that deal, Tojo at Nuju Tadi, Dudu, Kasha, Oyomo home and who female fire above Mugabu Tojo, Bravo, and Ajinyama, Nachlan, the publisher. Mahama tours Nobi Agriculture Project. This is okay, dead news. All right, the Ghanaian publisher, court clears Sasiedem, slams Yoko's unlawful conduct. Atople no tata magalafma. That is Comiga Atople. Comiga Atople. Over feel free and spend your money. Nana kama blanco. Oganchiko. Licensure U10. NDC a walking contradiction after your marking. When marking, when I was a to Cockbola, Panya Blo, the year campaign only where licensure as a namu de suku, dogo, osu chicha, obugan, do walk or Pajibanyata Panyata there. Chicha, her suku, where Nyaika to Cockbola, Bocha, Fiva Trobe, you want Briaro, majority with Tabama Bunyamo. Hey, Pario Mavina Miaraka. NDC a walking contradiction. NDC kata. Maybe so. Minority turns heat on big push deals. Okay. Mekbo Kennedy Osenya Kolofia, ranking member for roads and transport. Minister for roads and transport. Hey. Abuja. Ayo. Awadakus Nobi Farms driving high-tech rice production is still here. You can go read that one for yourself. Hey, what? All right, Nyapo, the custodian. Baumia directs minority to engage more with stakeholders upon Nkrumah. But upon Nkrumah, Baumia no tata fear. Ke Baumia go gomna upon Nkrumah ho upon Nkrumah be Baumia be bohe NDC to MPP tore menye the climate den people apado do kwehian engage with stakeholders Dr. Baumia and upon Nkrumah engage with stakeholders do dowo ko kata ke dunya kade no gamroji nyano matam sano nyano fo mabibiam nyasanya gomenwe nyawo doklo kata Mama visits a Wadako Nobi agriculture project. Minority blows alarm on 50 billion big push contracts. Demands full details in contractors and costs per kilometer. If you have a contractor, yoke ocho donabono wo yoke Oma na mokwa mobono bulho na toma won to chia fa mo chucho dono sole source contracts mode yo jokata fonko minority give us a list of the contractors but honeni ke michono Abuja, please respond and do the right thing. Let's know the sole source contractors. Please do guide. This is not a question about we know what we are doing and there's nothing wrong. You are not a judge. Respond to the minority. Odiniho urges government to open neglected Akumadan University. PBL marks Ghana month with pride and patriotism. Produced by Limited staff are there. So it's a good one. Go get the custodian. Business and Financial Times. Wow. Business and Financial Times. Stanbic Bank launches Obasima Tackle Financing Cup for Women. Okay, Stanbic Bank. I think that's one of the big stories there. Road Minister defends Big Push Initiative. Make Aboyonya Lefia Bogomba. Allow your contract number Monaka Bechumula Minashinamla. Power grid in high risk zone. IES as demand doubles, transmission lags. Power grid in high risk zone, i.e., as demand doubles, transmission lag, IES. Fiawe Jo Carignan, among Subarek Carioji, Kaka, Jogoveto, Madedemolo, Madedemo, Kayama de Denamio, Beto, Taima. BOG signal shift from fintech expansion to system integration across Africa. BOG signal shift from fintech expansion to system integration across Africa. Pota Gajaro for Bogumba, Doko Kapona Ganyaji, a modonquio, Modam Yoko Zamorifia, Yogajam Befifia, a Meshamekal Africa. nyanya merikio arugare dukobu akodukobu fega pleto ogben bogbere onye bo amere Nigeria manya kene garugero simple you makata solve Africa as one. Go ahead, do it. All right, Nyawulula Lafia Nganka Turning Point Opinion Tony Elu Melubet Big in Africa again and all that. All right, so go get this Agbana Civil Center in Nigeria. All right, the informer. Lincoln University withdraws honorary doctorate amidst LGBTQI controversy is still here. Eid celebration, Jaspon Group blesses Chief Imam. Jaspon. Dopare Zoom Lion, Pletomo, Obaire, Chief Imam, Islam to ala Suboro Nola. Jack, can you bless Chief Imam? You give him money, say you gave him money. All right. MTN disbursed 6.4 billion in 2025 dividends. All right, that's still here. Olebu cracks over no bed syndrome. Me, no, tata pomafia, dono mamle rengba, no, chole mamle refrado, troza ibo. Me pos, yaroha, amaru, no, ware, dono male, jile fia. Amaro Langba, Kolebu Ghana. Kolebu cracks, Mekano Titarafia, Mekao Moyera, Dr. Yakubu Seidu Adam, Kolebu Sio. Amagata Korea de la Fia, Ikanya Magana, Kolebu, Ye, Boblombe, Abali, Amarkama in Bamomo, Daka Mobe, a vim, you do hey. Maybe you have lied. TVET strikes over conditions of service. Minister of Education, Haruna TVET strikes over conditions of service. Another strike. TVET strikes. TVET. Suku mo yoko hena shindo lamo. OBG. Abume Domago. Interfaith Unity Variable Asset Mahama. Dukopola ala subolo for Sayo Odu in Choheva in my blog. The cow, the Christoto, the Kongto, where ala subolo dume. Alato, Christoto, the Kongto, where the cow and here Alagobe. Daily Searchlight. The President visits Nobi Agriculture Spotlight, so that's an old story, spotlighting the promise of Ghana's agricultural future. Thank you. Time to acknowledge the atrocity. President Mahama urges global reframing of slavery as crime against humanity in stirring address at United Nations. GMA calls for digital bed management overhaul as Kolebu congestion exposes systemic strain in Ghana's healthcare sector. Richard Anyagba, MPP blasts Mahama over others' jet, calls it conflict of interest. Okay, I'll do that again. MPP blasts Mahama over brothers' jet, calls it conflict of interest. Anyagba Lefia Ibrahim Mahama, Brefo, Ibrahim Vadoshiali, Brefo. Anyagba Blombe, John Dramani Mahama, Oche Fue Yamobu Domola. Magnus Samoro. Anyagba. Ni Majima Yanibari, Dukokla, do Welaka. Allow one year to cocky liquid kill if you had me a chammy fiaber Donald Trump. The strong woman, chop to cock to adore me. If you have no yoa, na answer phone caller, a private jet me. Ne nana hama a hlam le private jet me. Ne ajedom a private jet me. Do now kata do security now. Tana who call the US President Yoa is in a private jet. State security issues in a private jet. But courage, no, na bromi, no, bisilo, bisenyalo. Bebo fafake paya. Ayo. Okay. Daily Analyst. Daily Analyst. Reparatory justice. Transatlantic slave must be recognized as crime. Transatlantic slave. Oh, the packaging. Reparatory justice. Transatlantic slave trade must be recognized as crime. Mahama speaks at UN. Only 44% of Big Push. Come again. Only 44% of Big Push contra sole source. Only 44% of Big Push contra source. I mean, these are big story. Majiji go me gagranya majojo me. Majiwe mi aponcho aboja onya ya onchi. Aboja beri inedo no nedo lo fare ka mo plan ne voma ne ko yo to yo chona yo fa me kachan. I want to know if there's an exclusion clause in the procurement laws in Ghana. Politicians, please do that research for me. We are going to conversations right now. Aboja. That's the first thing we are going to discuss. Okay, maybe we'll start from the president. Yes, president and his address and the decline of his honorary doctorate, if you like. We'll do that quickly. 3 crops conveyance certificates, not a new burden on farmers. CEO denies allegations. Ghana's extractive sector lacks transparency. Anti-corruption coalition drops bombshell. Okay, the GACC Samuel Harrison I'm all right. Baumia addresses London School of Economics Africa Summit on AI. Hey, Baumia, AI expert. All right. The Inquisitor, promise of Ghana's agri sector. Mahama visits Nobi agriculture sector. Big Push deals are lawful and transparent. Kokonte can help prevent ulcers. UCC lecturer claims. They to establish office in Ketu North to boost service delivery. Wow. Ketu North. Ketu North, Joje Mari, Joje Side, yeah, Ketu North, to DVL office Bonafuma, Ketu South, Aplau of office Lafmaho, Nyanya D, so VD. All right, so we expect DVL, Jiru, Dokweke, Nana, plaque, number, license, Pukulo, office Bona, Jojolofo. All right, Big Push deals are lawful, transparent. Okay, Kokonte, Lunana, Dokame bio kuna kokonte dudunana osade abima kali domebi unata mitro de kokonte. All right, Benye Bill, UCC lecturer. The point quickly, the Ghanaian point. Don't pay money for security service recruitment. National security wants public. But for America, the mobile money America, Michael got job at Joe Garena about medical screen no man and no more. Don't pay anybody. Check your portals. All right. CDS calls for review discipline to strengthen Ghana Armed Forces. All right. CDS. And your Chief of Defense Staff, Lieutenant General William discipline government committed to protecting jobs at the mine. Lance Minister, Amukata, le don le Daman mine, afi, du Coco Cheva for Planfia, engineers and planners. Don't worry, they won't sack you. Big Push, so. Hey, Charlie Agboja, you trend past president self. Lincoln University Council's honorary doctorate. Okay, we skip that one. We go to the Daily Graphic just quickly, and we end with the Chronicle. Daily Graphic, they quickly. Slavery is criminal. President Mahama declares at UN tables motion for reparation voting today. Oh, beautiful. So let me do a quick one. The President John Dramani Mahama has challenged the global community to confront the full horror of the transatlantic slave trade and embrace reparative justice. All right, so that's all. And Big Push is still here. Agboja is defending soul sourcing. Agboja is here. And I think that's all we have in the Daily Graphic. Controller partners banks to develop digital payment platform. Daman Mine Ministry commits competitive bidding to select investor. Stanbic Bank launches Obasima Women's Finance. All right, last one, the Chronicle. The Chronicle. And I go for a break. Very, very last one, the Chronicle. Soko Project empowering women and youth. Ahmed Ibrahim. Minority blows cover on whole airport deceit. Hey, minority blows cover on whole airport deceit. Open people the blood regime le miako who airport afia minority blows cover on airport deceit. When we via Jim lo who fia lo miako yamuja bafia. Politicians, you maybe will tell me that Soko Project empowering women and youth. Ahmed Ibrahim Dama Mine Minister promises competitive bidding process. All right, so I end with this scriptural verse from Jeremiah 9 verse 5. Everyone deceives his neighbor and does not speak the truth. They have taught their tongue to speak lies. Manya people might not show news review segment, but don't put on a chronicle shy from a manya record bone, but got door from Buno Kajin to come. My shaman, my vivim, my shaman, your polycablem, not the pomelio, like Pasoko, my shamale, Nanamagbana blema. Maho Domacho Piarama Trova, Madame Yamako Fiami, Yadu Yama, Tony McBoy. Plum plus 233-242-670-773 your number. Messages keep coming. I'll read all of them. I'll be right back.
Hier qu'attend la vigie, et la vigie. Fou pepe va glolo, oh, et glolo. Ma way is embalejado. Aja bagba asikaligbe do afikolea le mia tempolo mi jagole gio mi antominya oh my way mi antominya eyenti Mire Giodo, ne mi attende cucunolo. Ficole ma we, ficole ma, mbe, ficole ma. Ficole ewe, ficole ma we, ficole ma. Adowame vana fianfito pata trozu pastolo Adowame vana agredato pata trozu bokonolo Oh mau Ficole nu baramada ole cho yo jo bom Bola bom kakani gakemo Ficole ma we ficole ma mbe ficole ma Ficole ma, ah, ficole ma, ewe, ficole ma. Ika qu'attend la vigie, et la vigie. Fou pepe va glolo, oh, et glolo. Ma way is balejado, aja bagba, asikaligbe, do afikolea, le mia tempolo. Mi jagole gio, mi antominya, oh my way, mi antominya. Eyenti, mi regiodo, ne mi attende cucunolo. Ficole o, ma way, ficole ma, mbe. Ficole ma, ficole o, ewe ficole ma we ficole ma. Adowa me vana, fianfito pata, trozu pastolo. Adowa me vana, agenda to pata, trozu bokonolo. Oh mau, ficole nu barabada yo le cho yo jo bon pomma. Bola bonu kakani gakemo. Ficole ma we ficole ma mbe ficole ma. Ficole ma, ah ficole ma, ewe ficole ma. Ika qu'attend la vigie, et la vigie. Fou pepe va glolo, oh, et glolo. Ma way is balejado, aja bagba, asikaligbe, do afikolea, le mia tempolo. Mi jagole gio, mi antominya, oh my way, mi antominya. Eyenti, mi regiodo, ne mi attende cucunolo. Ficole o, ma we ficole ma, mbe ficole ma. Ficole o, ewe ficole ma we ficole ma. Adouame vana fianfito pata trozu pastolo
Yo, mi apan kolo, kama suba mi agre mi apan nyauma jujuma ke anyekla Honorable Raphael Olasidogbe, pakple Honorable Richard Agbosuke yele nyabo. Honorable Raphael Wezo.
Yo, Tony, mezade mwe.
Yo, du corporal America, upon na Africa, hikama kutuko de kukuka tango amashi chacha keji kocho ameboko ile aputa tukom aba boluma mo ama koplonya nya rodung kanto ke kaka le hikama pe nya jojo yo vaima ke mega sesamba wo pot abotani on est beaucoup aba among the doctor le Lincoln University kanya mai University Banter in America ikana na degree kaka o twafo mara ba obumba LGBTQ but kama no sanko sayo ko be awala gana lo nyairo lo dari ko la dari eta pato nya banko majima koron kuma no wezo
Yo, Tony Mado albamzina ewonto le odo hatiole Ebenigba TV Mado albamzina nyovelea eve Honorable Richard Agbosuke Mado albamzina NBC for me de do pete mi amuganu to mejipola ne ko albamzi ene make mi ho titina no to me South Africa me nola Honorable Richmond let them coffee anani potosu ede wona de etome na nyonu ike anoji le ahun community center le nicho memele dabe ike wa award do pona cervical cancer ta mile jide pona nyonu obete veto ayoke nele ehodrome ko be wa atekpo aza monopokoma ako ado doki okpo kemado agbamuji tokena onawo Stephen ado eledoji alegbegbe nepo eyavala oji le nkeke omea le amuganu to omegodo gifek edasile model yoke okova enuto vovovo mebe wa ava atube wa aga pedemia pe emodamu fe edo na womu ike anabe miape network wa akekedeji wano a bit stable than ele ole fifie ele ho municipality miape smart street light yoke ne omegale do didire asitotro la omuva ke fiabe ho municipal assembly o dibewa awona na ike a improve upon miape security le visibility le examine agbegunzina mi ape enyasela opete ise ma ajegome
ne adum nanomde ne yomi nya kpotepe nya le nya jojo dadi nya wo to ma pierre to ma no na adum nya wese na ta mi no blone la assembly ne po so ho yo ke babajimbo yo wo tepe le nto me menye nya na jo fi mi aba no sento pongo ta ale mi oftalmo gifek mo mi amesio majo jinami la gomnesi
Tony enya ike efodete anya nyatefe ela be zigede ya minya nu de la omigbo na be the fourth arm of government anya ni anya jojo do wala ta anusia nu ike ajoa ehia be mia akplo mi de asi be mia o mia adobo wole na dubaja ne wase anya eno ike ele jojo ta yo ike ne wa enye yo ike letefe enyo be neganyo mi be nya atwasi nya pengono la o menye nya pe mo mi fiade ko nya pengono la o te be no si anu ike leji kwa elebe wa aklo nya jojo do la odasi be juaja ha na wa no nya nyame nya pe jokopolo la ele America le UN ta pepe game menene mawa nya ike for the tea ekude agbenono de yoke ne yiji efegede over ike nellen kudanwa ne Clovis chacha nellen kudanwa akpobe ona evanye egbodidi ameibo fumi ebete elabe vado egbe ike mile no fokora akpo egbe ike mile no fokora akpo yevu adewo yoke le miape abo dakple no wona vovovo me egbe ya ogala megbe ameibo jijipe po abe wa omenye amegbe tominyo le ameibo ni gbaji Africa South Africa ni goha le pedo ya edo akpadewa ameyoke pe agbalanya ameibo a o mekpomo akpogo megobi dekele edo papa maome ta enu wona ya eva we be ameibo jijimea over bibi ta frache abe miawa anwa minyene ame wo pagba wo don ti amoto fu pepe gede ome ta enya ike duko polola hefo de tea menye de amegbeto pe nyenye ko ami boyo ke no ko ide egbeta du maome a over wo dogede na edu ope ngope yi ike edu yoke ma ocho a vide de ke meva miawo ya po ne pole asichacha maome ha mi atogbo pe nu wasido yoke yevova over kojo artifacts edonye asino do nu do yoke wo ose wo bobe ede avinami nu mawo togbo pete mi ape to menu wasi wo to ayemo nu okonu mawo pete kojo over to yevogo ya vado egbea ogale ayemo bobo to le nono mamao wodoko asitotro van vide ta dukoko la excellency John Dramani Mahama pe yoyoa deko ole egbetereji na heke amegodo be amedepa gbana nye ameibo enye ameiyo enye amejion agbane kake amegbe amededoa mikata amegbetomio eyata be teterani ke ameibo umekpo le Clovis chacha yivai he devina yevu ameyoke na wodo henye ameibo de ono fufu agbele vovovoji e wodo pele mu san pele kutri kuku kake domi o pete wo fa mecho no la o tudu ma meyoke ono ta yoyoa doko ole gban ele nananya heke amegodowe amerenye ameibo amerenye amejinwa nikata amegbetomio mawo mi apete de efe nono medika kono den evelianye de bubu yike wo dele mi ameibo omianwa wa gbogbo ado etefe medon ko jibele abo popo pe wona de me amede yike oyobe Vinicius Junior edoji kukwa be adole abo popo elabe wole epe nono me dope ta frache kese pe nono me ike pa gbale nyame yibota enwuke ike ohia be mia apo edemebe menye mi ameibo wa mia we ba bia ma obele wo mi yani ameibo ameibo wonu epe wole gbeta du tudo wole Africa han tudo nana yoke ameibo dengo wole yevo there enye edo tutudo yevu yoke fa gbanle de yoke fa gbanle ko anye agbale yi ko no bobo o nyame o ta yoyo be nu yoke wo hole mi asi pe de o na wa toba Africa be wa akpede mian be mian ha mi adengo me ko se be yoyo ma menye yoyo gbegbele de ke onyo ke nenye be de affordede ya togbiwa mekadijwe mi Africa duko popo mi ahwedeme mi adamegbena ameyo fete adibe wa champion no me ya togbi be wa adebobo mi Africa amai bonyi gbajito hawo abele ke ko mi awa mi die bobo gbeta dukro mi yevu mo me ka de jibe mi afete mi afofo mi adom sen amayoke nele yoyo ya wo be wa asen wa nyabe mi Africa to mi le megbe na yo mi ha mi ape amenyenya mi jibe mi avleta be echoa soso nano mi ape enu na wo katam
akbar ni ko polo no Rafael wala sido di kanya nyandala na o sina jang to ni to wa wema ni ke metodologi no which is ala wa agara nyam ke mi tiba aina pai kanya di beberapa mai honorable Richard no pai to ni to pamo ke ada semi le ya wo yo na bu wa ke bu ko pa le Lincoln University mi ke ni ko to ni Lincoln University ma nya mai bo su ko ban ko e ya kana o ya o ta se di ban ko su ko na ban di ya ko anya pi ka tu nya li ko jo ma se ada mana kata u bro ma le ka ba sei wo mi dana ke ni Roma sempre sa ita abo nyama senyama je ko le nana lu ta pa ko adu ko mo ni ko ni nyama nana ma ta san ba ke ma trom la ona wo ni ya la ke la ko nya ya we
Tony afi ma ba onya gba ma extend the same protocol ne feria extend kabi. This is the first time we do for Niba TV this year, if I'm not mistaken. For now, the stretch is straight away from that the usual greeting. So, see, Tony, that aspect, I'll come to that aspect first, later of my argument. Okay, station ya Clemono Bole, ye middle Jefu call President Mahama of UN. Yeah. But now, without missing words, it was needless. It was needless in every form or shape. Yeah, wana enough jidepe and I was vindicated. Not for the species of Pio the UN AU representative first speech. I don't know why all the media houses have decided they will not capture her speech. She said it all yesterday. She said it all. You see? Going for this particular fight, it has gone beyond the normal rhetorics. They advocate they should compensate Africa back. They should give us the freedom. They should enlist us onto the law-making authorities in the UN. It is needless. The fight has gone beyond that. She's the representative from the African Union. The AU will not represent. I said it here yesterday. She sent. They had the chairman didn't go. Representative he was sent. This fight has begun way backwards. The settings is becoming too much. Settings is becoming too much. Some group of people could talk about leading this delegation, leading this project to project John Dramani Mahama as the one perpetrating this for Africans. If you know, they should give African that Africa. She said, I said, the representative, all speeches, they captured it. To the extent that she said they are going forward. Their target will be they want to revive our curriculums. Not proper educational curriculums. So, to preach about these things in our education sector. To change our culture, to change our policies as governments. Not the usual rhetorics that they know, Just last year, it was yesterday that she even prompted me, even last 2023, President Akufo-Addo also gave some very vital speeches. But what is the result? Because we are not tackling the issue from where we are supposed to tackle it. You know, Anna and they went and embarrassed our president yesterday concerning this 1 degree issuance. The people handling this activity, they didn't do the due diligence to know this school will not honor President Mahama this award. They will have to plan it a day to the event, and they will say, no, we are not granting the president anymore. After flyers have gone all over the world. After flyers, somebody have to be made to answer to questions. That is the aspect of it. President John Dramani Mahama, yes, Ghana here, we have said it unequivocally, there is the LGBTQ+, we don't want it. Though this government, the back and forth. That as it stands now, we have a bill in parliament, which we are waiting for the president, the parliament to see debate it, for it to be passed.
When they come back, you call for
University of Lincoln, only our stance. Just a mere search on the internet will really tell you our previous governments have tried to use the LGBTQ+. We don't want it. So you don't use that as basis due to that. You don't know our stand on LGBTQ. So you don't honor our president a degree that you have, an only degree that you have vividly accepted to. Make I work that for you. I'm not that for you. Because this is about a state. This is a president of a land. You have all the protocols to follow, to know everything the brand is said. How free your name will be issued on that platform. They are going to give me something of this kind. This is an embarrassment on our presidency. And people, the foreign affairs have to come and answer questions to it. This is a developing story. But I know that going forward, the people of Ghana, the minority in parliament, will start asking questions, and Ghanaians will ask the foreign affairs minister to come and brief us what led to this. What led to this? As an Agoma, that is the aspect of it. Tell me, see, I will change my words. Slavery, being it slavery or human trafficking, however we decorate it to look like, isn't good. But to tackle this, we have to orient we Africans ourselves first. We are orienting the the Afro need the Palavila, Afro. No matter how hardship you may look behind. Now the level now we have a guy with the Zawkas no alone. You know, they got general. The new committed judges in Madu, no, you got flaming. Now the got that way. You know, Ghana Mama about Papa. The African Union representative here for she said that vividly. Then we have to get to a point in time that they need a new coming going forward. Some generations will not allow that to be done to us anymore. It shouldn't be they at now. They now compensate me, no holiday decision making UN more. No. When you know the crew law for ban. Yeah, that is no. I'm not a very chassis. Now, I'm going to apply no. You be able to jamo. No pelas with a few feet. And my yard, the jackets no number. Because you have to this because when you make Zanamia, I am going to me. Well, I'm not blaming man. Come on, make Zan one day. Tell me what this miracle bar the oh. You made that phone and talk. We are fear to be to view not that we need to be a then the speech of the echoed it. Then we have to reform our educational structures. Not just going to video the VO school. No, slave trade, being it trans-African slave trade, trans whatever, gender, Atlantic, being it the domestic slave trade, it is not worth accepting. Tony, you will feel like never see kind of you let me see feel like. You need to not protect you. You need to not protect you. For nothing football. Look at African football. You play African cup. What for game for? What the camera doing? You never can wage. Calf that man, you tell the slot here in Senegal, the open or see go to Morocco because of stampede here in the park. How are we building ourselves? Not only we ourselves mentally we have enslaved ourselves. We should wake up from that mental slavery first. Not to million we did not develop to million and never say no man. Tony, slave trade, no, and Babylon, no, but I not be agreeable. But that's the new. That happy, no more that 4 years talk. Then you are paid, no, you didn't to your vote. Allah, Sunesila. You told me not for the middle program. You told me not for the middle program. All these years, people who have come and gone, the fight they be fighting is the same fight we are fighting today. But the end result doesn't give us anything. They know power. You have to not power in decision making. They are not willing to do that. As it stands now, going forward, according to research, about 2030-36, the world population, youth right, the youth capture is coming from Africa. It is a threat to them. They will organize that so that they will give us decision making authority. So that if we get the world population and we are now making decisions, we'll be factored in first. And we will continue to be threat to the Western world. Because we have the resources they don't have. That is why we have not already not Jamia as Africans. No Jamia Komodo, Yamela Dava, 12 person, how person you there. Yeah, like a blue Abraham. You talk go misite in your views to be after the dollar for the blue. To now example, I give but not who want to feel like Ghana is already a vote that all of them are very heavy. Who are very heavy? You are not that very Africa country home. So they are in the heavens. As a woman. And in every aspect, you have to a kissy rat, right? A kissy day. Every other your enemy. In your talk. A cake like that. You are kissing with you, not and the every association, you have done to do. You have the history. The house left trade no view. The good and the bad aspect of it, what led to it, how to overcome it, how to protect it from happening again. And nobody knows. And let's absorb the UN representative, UN species or that from our. Let's absorb it and build on it. That we should restructure our education. We should sit down and tell our story and protect what we have, manage our own affairs. When we are able to do that, and we get there, nobody will tell them that these people are united front. I never said, Tony. Well, I told them, no, what happened for the program? Throughout. I have a there. I know that her national pelassi click. She was wearing a winter coat. She was in a winter coat.
Thank you, Menado.
Look at now, they say we are projecting our culture. That is why we have to swallow in every aspect.
No, blow.
Good. The African represent
Africa. Your one call.
When the door came to Valentine,
as a winter. Africa. I mean,
the fact that is where we are going to cry like a hand, it is wrong.
Never get there.
You can't have it. I'm going to Zimbabwe only that
Educated.
One Solomon tomorrow. Let me want to put I'm going to
Ghana working a Benado.
Let me I to win back. I said, tell me, what about the parliament?
Mahaman to do, Mahaman to Fafa Papa.
You might not already, not at all, the idea of how you want to Obolaga. I will be able to better age. Who got to get a lamb of them, a couple of maybe the better age. It's the idea they look at Lucas.
You see, arguments or the emotion to me about arguments are all like trivial.
What is trivial about?
I have never been time. Fafalialewe we cannot put Chidaro woman in the office 3 hours never a chair a block.
That is what telling you be the idea
of Africa family.
The idea so you don't go there.
You miss it.
Why is it that no Africa Union they are doing? Odo na let that Africa.
Abela be na ye vuo de.
Ye vuo I not talk about money of na be. We let go before we come.
Many mobile plural.
We are not exhibiting it enough.
We are not projecting it.
In every aspect.
Okay.
Look how hard I know put me. Can I perfume in all
the family? Oh, you know, Miss Sanafora, Yamma, given us Saborali, after you talk, ayo, family.
Ma grandma, that I have there. I do for part of the you know the house for football.
For Lebanon.
As a brother, I can't do once we are changing from the past now. Let's think holistically in every aspect. In every aspect. And I'm a man. If I'm not going to call you, you absorb. You went to representative for Oko species. It was very laudable. And very clear, you didn't miss any words. Me have done what me have restructure, me have for policy so. Me have fear me view slave trading tea. Me have government me view the one of bomb like here. You are taught there me made America you come be enya money. Me made na kai. You fall la cava egbi avaga na egbi. Kini go put feel like here. You try not the 15 years ago, not the back of 15 years for one. You vote that year, you have to follow in your after. As a woman, you want to come out all them. I'm not bound to a hole. You have to come out because of that. Because you will go to small day. Can you do America without going that is it is superior to everything. And that site level, that program educational structure. They not protect what we have. The man that's replacing Ginti, our any baby manti. Tony, in a last name.
You are playing upon Polo, going back to refer in Diona in your gym. Make up on Fiania Richard was Danyang NPP, na Hotisna, Tomakata, you much matter honorable Walasi, Dogwenchi. I could never so strong, but now Jojo. For na onyeta majiwe miano chitom de kavaro de onye nsosoko menyawe America du koma fa le we pama ko majiwe dwananya ona abo kosusu Abraham magno kakanyi gbom le pie kwen na mare manya obe acho ya dakota gbaja le fuma abe awomu abale kimione le nyako de kongo tututu a ke kata ekpe eko woho ta mikpo le miape TV oji aleke du kopora do wucho le miape TV oji ayo de Tanzania do fugu yo be mi no fugu do alo batakari bi no mi adegbo ta batakari ayo be mi no do dakafio ya mikpo le awo dora yo fu pa wo do ala be yo fu pa weda mole yo fu pa fa ho ya ka jaga gba ma ko na kokko chota amo chong ta pleto e jagba be ta na madu kokula jeje ma yo motro honorable Richard Agbosuganchi Rafa Walasi Dogwenchi na abia na zemiliti varo ko na bia do nyaro na ro nke mi azoro ko na fa mo gama to nton eji pola James Gun ha be ile UK be gaji fo nyama nya ke mi ko de to meta be ba do ko Ghana to kokola te fonola ifele UK okay president ma anya yo gbomo la amera le mo gba me gbomo la e mo do sa ka wansa oda o e na happen bi
oh you do know amamo ta o ti to go
okay yeah da du kokola ma po me mi le le wɔna ƒe akpama kple yontsinya nɔ tata li vovovo miaɖo katã ɖa gake mato ŋu nya kpi ɖe ko meva aƒe kpi ɖe koa the volatile general minister James Gunu had held talks with Ghana's High Commissioner to the United Kingdom, His Excellency Sabazita Benson, to strengthen partnerships to promote investment opportunities in the region. Peter Ko, taho with this story there, man. Kwa moha miya hon to mero mo adema to corporate no UN meeting. Ano babuno evono troko miya boko amuga ntoma jipala hana no UK. Yo yiha ba po miya for High Commissioner mema ever High Commissioner in the UK. Is that unity of command?
Tony, new velia eponu le godome me hode epenu poji kake le godome ha nye me hode epenu poji me kadejiwe nane ke gbele ke Ghana pre delegation ke ifema over there mi apre de kono kwa pade ikaje echipopodi me kadejiwe nane ke egbele le won kake abele ike wonto je gome ni mi mi agbelo chipodi ya nto a ele ike mi no me ike mi no na hafi ofo na chidile mi ade ni mi ko ifema emi de no me mafia me kadejiwe mi amayo kele fikwa mi akpo pochuchulem ela be afi wapo chidi ele be wa be avo labo akosadali o ma do afopa wazan ekre no ni abebe do me ike wa ko de haple e wochi no mau and to trolem opona efike jenacho enu bubu o gede meza
ajengo ya enu
bubu gede meza ta lete pe ike he over wono le menye nia pe Africa gbagbaji o no me o ha me so ta fa che ma to ano ta pepe mame ni ava no bolo vi di pe de ike o me de cement o lo o me tile na de kemelo wanye ani gba kokulu ne mi ava wo
makata temelio makata area makata gbomola sirikeji o me so
apa vele ne be no go wa bolo to ko la ike no yi gbeta ayo de epe de konu alo de vinyenye fia nyata aglo His Excellency Jondo ani mahama to abele ike wonto eto ati de ka evedo efimi ke wole pe weda pele no mewa mad mo be ele ike enu no na le mi agbo de sia de na wa no tepepepe again egbelo be enya ike dukopolo la egbelo le efema iko sebe alo EU representative ike ifema pe no kwa eje kotebe no ike dukopolo la ba kwa medeview mila gbogbo fifia be we in a global village enu ike pole fi mila fifia amede ike le heja me pe apade siade hedibe ya semia pe no kwa elese fifila ta menye Africa nigbaji alo Ghana ko ya ni ano afi awo yoyo ya tombi ei ke du kokolo la mahama he wo yoyo ya egbe ami no anyede poli homele hole fia mile nya ya mejuru e ya mo lese ta he me bati aka ale gbegbe no si anu ike wo mile kwa e ba dia be he me do vale soe ta ei ke mile no ko be ehia be mi akọ educational reforms planu ya over mi on to mile se du me violese mi ape engono lawo ha o lese ta ni mekaneji be enu ika oba po le UN hemenye Africa lo Ghana o woyoyole alo eyata vide mano ne o jene ne mala ke o abe ss vide now Honorable James Gunu ele UK no tome be yava adi ega mekane storia ni mekadeji be egododo the High Commissioner de deko ine enu ike wovawo nekpo enya jojo alonu le dia efiabe katatia alongododo bubu le oyoke ahe katatia ayuike awebe amowa wanyabe amuganu tumea we have potential wa our investment ayuke wa have direct employment play indirect employment akovena no tometo enu le die de fiabe egododo bubu epo ono gboglobe amejiro nkuga menya emoyoke le podom ya mi no glo in mi apenu kebe follow who no road dane honorable James Gunu ayi heba gede high commissioner jia mekadeji be enye enu gbon ga ka babia ikele for that enyebe head ko kolola UN ta pepe gama de nukata eyache ava ayi de UK no to
gamame o yan be unity of command in governance egbe taye dukopola United Nations dukopola trako fufuma dukokata fa susu el dukopola ji ai de bayana ya nka gbogbo li ike gunu no chacha muto me ai ji afi hojokleto aba adekpe do ne chiefs compound kweto ta nkaina nkeke ya lo nkeke veton ya ike dukopola komako ihana fito pamanya ya gbomile bale ke sane pon polo no tata e kapanya gbomila eje le mi TV oje je ke mi TV odifia ni gbomila fun mi poma de ke do awu odokra la we kwaro benye ala be nyanye haji hamato ko haji hao pawu ke etrela niba konkola shi alo class la shi ako now we in the Mabiao, even before just one second. Ni alo ni but the shalo chikokora ni bale yobo. Ni ona yobo mo nyakpa we mi ngamo ya. Maybe ayo mau de ma nyapa de kong le yare ro baba koko na kuchira nya fia yo le vodo. Okay, do koko ta je ma fia mo to ha pom enya okuje to ta ko le je ma fia. Na koko nya go we nya.
No, Tony, you are getting it wrong.
No, there's no hold on. Question, dear everybody. Put picture. Nia open year. Allow reparation for your bomb. This is the question I'm asking, and I'll give you opportunity to answer.
Yo, Tony. For ya do ya ne mikbo no me autograph me bia babia bia do kioza. Abele ikenele babia. Look
now, there's not like you are getting anything. These things, there is no conclusion. We just do what is best for us. Yeah, let's go ahead.
So, area mamebolo be ya do ya bibia babia mi ado kioza be enu ike ofwe mi de chipopodani do ovanye epakpade ike ne chipopodani me vaode ni ike ta do couple life madama ma tanwa do mutina ne bia maba medika mamolo be a do nye azami do nye Africa have ofufuo hele beta be mi ade mi ape de kono fiala mi ata wa wa chipopodani eyi mekadeji be adeto eyi ke mi po ta ni me le powe chipopodani le ta pepe mame menye do belonga ke le ni pe susunwa o beta ni ne eya nya no yi ke me so tutu
ma tof che fanyar ka baro ne richi ho kumfa bon ne de kon le bolo mi ko se ba ni gba ntoto ka mawo ye asasi ya Chedampo, Onyakumpo, ani baya ntonton mawoye. Chio eto mawoye ta. Oyana the pantheism. Many monotheism, many polytheism. Monotheism, many Christianity, Islam, Mauda Kakweli, Allah, God, fine. Pantheism, Maulan Sham, Bo, Maulam. Ta Amata kwa madara majiko na najo. Ta Jehose kele mesha is tied to the Aniba. Akama more Bollywood, the Vakata zone, never go down and Mako, Mokata Zronema, Udomo, the Pomo, the Copolo, Funakuna, Maco, ta de ko nya ni cho ya fuma ele fufu ta kana na kama gbele be nya cho de ko wa yo ta ka do hia mi ya o lo ba po mi no me ya yo po ka ka wo cho yo beat me ko cho trick via ko beat me ko odu mi agenya mi ya ta mi yo are we projecting our cultural value or we are going to declare that transatlantic slave trade is the greatest crime against humanity of all times and reparation mi choko me bala be mi plemi yata be ko ya boyo me mi ya ta ni yiro alo mi apa de kon jape mi na ye furo fo e de kon wa. You see, so that's it. Quickly, then you so that you go to Guno.
So yeah, I'm not going to be memorable. Enya ike du couple la alohemi Africa to bi koya. Man globe kolovisi chacha. Be enu voni be nu bele le ni anwa esogbo. Ta hia be ta du kono abu atro ko de ni abo. Be nu yo ke bona mi akpo e pede o. Ta echi popolani mane bledongo be ni bechi tere chi popolani oga kenye le nyono popono amehia le fema and I said it in your medure mamisio le nyono popono echi popolani la be menye ya wo pe mi yo nenya asan mi do le fema be mi aba de Africa de kono afia emenye ikame popo yi ba peta be wa lenya don popo emi va le chi popolani mi va le no mawola fine kake eike onye kene amebubu yuke upe jiko sebo wa over ube yo aba de upe hose no wa fi ade keta doju ni keta if madam
ba de ni Africa kakare na ma ko na chirema na yire Yoruba ko de pongwe ole wona mu lefufu na yire Igbo do ba le wona mu lefufu o ka Africa pe ta echima ko mo na jogbe jire no ko na chirema awo na hiyo so what exactly are you projecting? Even in Africa, when we are busy here fighting tribal wars, thinking the tribe is better. Even Amade Libya, you can reach Beadomola, you can get Tonga. Amade Ponga, or Domobeadomela, and instead, let the Hopper Tong, Tom, Nigeria, or about be there, Ohana Sina Strain, Echobo, Level Goody. So even as we are here, that in a way I'm agreeing with him. Even we are busy fighting supremacy wars. I'm going to fear doing the voter style time and a voter style. I said they are doing you should be okay. So even as we are here, even a voter, I'm looking for young, a province, and you go out there, you do this thing. The Kenya, Ali Kuchi Maria, then Shanti Pogako almost already told you, then he feels violated. So we have a big problem. Anyway, you, Miss Ronya, Gunu, everyone who of Michael Potter who got a pie.
No, Nebiam, Abeamedica, Maglobe, a for whole day, Bea, Vadino, Meva, Amugano Toma, and afforded a new, but once again, timing, Lebonia, or the essence of it. Once head to couple la muto hey le UN tapepeme e ke Ghana pem kupiti le fema elabe minyabe mon popo anosi be wa nagbeda sia me bulbe efe yuki be wa badini na me vena de igba enyu kakele that very moment head to couple la ele tapepe game e ke attention opeti oleji afi o woni ka me fe obe to couple la fuma yi kwa ko shen desunu ko jole epe mozozo mu ike nenyenye ya ma alem ko don ta going forward ne wa alem ko de no me ya to gbe me gbele don go be afo ike ode be wa vadinyu na me vena de gba enye afo nyui kake ne ede afo nyui la yi gbegbele avaje abe afoike ode amenyu yata newa ale for the no bubu
ape yo nkola honorable Raphael Orasi Dogbe for mfoema matrole richinichi gunu le Europe du come England abe gaji for na volta en so me le maginya tepako regional minister tona to kopora magbayi na rek beta to come by jinya ega nyona ma vana ko ntua na nemai nyako so public administration structure lema enya nyagbanto nso so jimale Vevelia, du Kokota Lefia in such an iconic gathering. To have a Volta the regional minister, the car, now in the UK. Not so strong with Jimele, Metrodom.
You have not vowed for a new Pule Ahapu there, she put there, UN. You see, the fight we are undertaking, the Mianane, the Hemowood, Wanyabe, and after the day, you food, the African Sunti, and Pueblo. It includes all these things. Because it is believed the Florida Premier Gilaro Quadrilla, a debt culture. Because Konova Premier Gilaro Quadrilla, we move from corner. I cannot say President Mahama, he was emphatic, a handbrake. Everybody, the Amoroli, Kofi, Ablan, Yao, Kojo, Agbalimo, they might go from corner. It's a woman. And here, Bene, Nya, Amorema. All those things are culture. Culture, there is part of us. It's part of us. We have been display. We have to do it in any form or shape we will. That is how we need to project it. But that is debate for another day. You see, a question here.
Now, in any case, I'm going to show you. We got to show you here. As a property. The auction now, as a property of the slave master. That a cool, like a call direct you are. Now, man, okay, Amaro, slave master, working every, when you have every slave master. So you play do koya, instead of working dua, utron also every, like every year, upon another outer of every stone. Every stone. That every, like a stone. I have a few approach, I don't know, children, Boji, I will, you know that kind of thing, or that will every sea. That code on your jams or so, you know, okay, let's go ahead.
It includes all those things. Going forward, maybe the day we have proper time, we have that proper, we'll do that. James will one of the regional minister of Moyo. Yes, I said there will be all regional ministers. I don't add that for let come. It is not news. For the only to party man the don't talk. Because as a regional, though they to call the central government, yeah, now authorities as a region, you also see maybe I know be decentralized governance system. And even from the region, it is still having divided into constituencies, municipals, and district assemblies. That the same way a district, a DC or MC, I toga, our generated fund. Those can you water all regional common, while affect national. The same regional level, regional minister, ID resources about to develop regional. It is bounded by law. Yes, that's legit. In this aspect, I will say it is NDC NPP issue. This is the non-political.
But young so strong.
Regional minister, I don't go. If ask his work more like predating the vote that have work out over by he's going to stay there for a period of weeks, maybe at least about 2 weeks or so. For Diga, regional enemy, and then that day, as usual, the Amora you want interest out here. They don't know to call legal rent to be. I'm not calling if you will. I don't know about the video actual avenue voter region. Don't be able to have electricity now, the voter region. I can even think I'm going to get a local intermittent power outages. So let's see the door where you're for. You're fishing now. You're fishing now. Up to now, we always have with at times people are too cheap for some period of time. As we are speaking now, part of the Paloli, the whole watch now once in a week.
And mom, you show me.
And I'm going to as a woman. That voter region as a premier more now, near school now, at all. Last week, or the only week, no sister station, Mafi Seva, which is the central tongue here. Central tongues, Mafi Seva again. A whole school from kindergarten to JSS, already to teachers. So the voter region is in dire need of development. The now depends solely on the central government, nebo adada fo man ke fi original minister ko jam da ko ata asad da be na do atem adeso ID investors ID means of funding akona region many dey anani I depend on ordinary generated fantastic here region and animated the whole no and we are to add for and not every what to organize conferences to plan organize lectures about the region. See, recently the MP for Utu
ni biamle ready du kokola le America unfone du kote popo ka bobo ba no chokola Africa bro nyaje joga do dombe miape regional minister the United Kingdom gbogbombe in that be ayi dongo da nana kamu be story we have a decentralized government. So what I'm saying is unity of command. The president move and the state machinery has been it's in motion. And I'm going to say America to corporate matter no UK Secretary of State alone, the Secretary I reckon now do what man it will not be.
No, that is not that. Yes, it's happening. The Vice President Kahano, one of the foreign countries, and then the president was in France. It happened. We have a decentralized government. As we speak now, you see the speaker is even out of the jurisdiction. As we speak now, the vice president here early, the president can travel. Every other ministers can also travel. Because we have a decentralized government system.
Regional minister and local government.
And the local government. But then, as we speak now, regional minister who is the head of the region. Regional minister can be in Ashanti region. DCE can also be in a different region, doing everything all together. Like Ghana. Let's say once the president moves, the whole government will follow him.
No, I didn't say follow him. Please. Everybody can follow her. The government machinery cannot follow him. Everyone to call is headless.
So what is your...
What I'm asking is that all I wanted to know is Gunube is cutting for investment. It's asking for investment in UK. The president is addressing the UN in the US. In that case, there is a regional minister and a local government.
There is unity of command, but there is separation of powers and the functions.
It can't work in local government. Separation of powers is judiciary, parliament, and legislature.
What you are saying is that local government, there's a head that all the subsets of it will have to go and render account to. But that does not mean that all the subsets of the local government must all do the same thing at the equal time. Everybody can do his function at any time given. Not a regional minister, or now they cannot talk the balance you. And the whole region. Then you come and regional common, all in the name of the country or in the state. Then he will account to.
So once local government is in the know, it's okay.
It's okay. He has the right. Go wherever to go and solicit for any fund. As we speak, a few weeks ago, before he will even go, the Ashanti regional minister went to US. The Ashanti regional went to US. And I think that our regional minister is privileged to be the head of all regional ministers. So if it can even be
is a dean, yeah. Dean.
He can even go with some delegations.
It's a dean.
Because voter region la me here boy don pound remember boy now your school now your she now that akane now la that it is recently Ghana Ovazijiri before he will reveal it your she now from the president. So I mean he took power the first month January February there water issue was very very dry. Man, he have to go there himself and if you go and make some speed that he is in the process of getting some investors, not the state getting invested, he the region. But if he gets it for the state. Prior to him, Dr. Lecha was also doing some things likewise. In Agric, for instance, Dr. Lecha with the former Agric, the current regional director of Agric, they got some investors from Brazil to do some rice project island, North Tonga, it is about something billion of dollars project. As a regional minister, one of your core mandates may be you look for resources and then invested for the region. Now more government allocations to government allocations to that one it comes out of maybe the revenues you generate because the and I will go lobbying skills so a projective origin and now investors in different world if I have an origin view support whatever to America see it got to a point in time during the first time one of the Eastern regional minister they wanted to take him off not be hard allowed just a reshuffle after I don't know so it was Mel's time therefore the Eastern region people didn't wanted the lady to go. They never wanted her to go because it was like because of the coal, especially the coal enclave. Because a project in coal East and out to the extent the East has become very, very, very popular. So based on that, the coal put they were resisting the God they love. But you know the president must be at the right or advantage or whatever that time. That is we are what for the boy, I follow the I vote, but I did at boy. I can never call voter with collapse. So one for investors will be look at our tourism sector. We need investment in that sector. As a government. That see, apply for your guard when I'm not boy the other day. Politicians who vote with the producer, they are greedy people. They are very greedy people. And all the while, so but I think going forward, this particular one, it should be a changing moment. Because the first state in Navy, and where is the US, UK, you know, the UK la, Ebola, it is one sector that you can. And my greatest desire will be it tackles our tourism sector because we have everything when it comes to tourism, but other regions are building on the smaller one, the minute one they have. They are building on it and making bigger names to the disadvantage of the we those have almost everything here.
Okay, all right, honorable Richard Agosko Akpeno, Vietnam Sorengo, and for some reason, governors, I'll stay with you just a few minutes, not 5 minutes, so many messages, 5 minutes. Oh, sole source contract, you can a big push contract, as a story, Magoma. Nonetheless, sole source are going.
Sole source in FB, Ubina, a wild diamola about one, Kakala, Amayoma, Diamond, to acquaint America. They will be passage, you will be a war, I won't do enemy. A model do, big push when a model. Contractors will be that can do away, yet Jemian will be not called, some are not about doom or enemy. Ye might be and your soul, if we be one person. Governors of Blomba, 44% of the big bush contracts, road contracts, are sole source. If you have the Choganamo, Utiamo, Bonodo, about minority, allow MPP to the Parliament of Blomba, Nka, Edgewe, Onamu, of you have your children, Yamagro Molema, Nkina Pochunyaman. You see, let that boy. I take that boy. You just see me la razo. You have some more now. The man he have my name. No matter province Abuja, you party but oh. The more time, you gonna tell this zone. If you over, it was at 11 o'clock. Province Abuja gonna TV. You know. Oh, blind back. Oh, I got a Devi. You are cook. You are one of channel. You are them. I never said no. SLMS, le Ghana ni yede so source what I call atu maja na me contract wa woto Ghana na ko Ghana bu ko da pele deside mo ma e fifi val Ghana gblam eta ni na tote de ni gawo gakala there's exception please you be tony me le mo tata ko yo ye mi le fifi la ye ni atano bi e le fifi la ye wa gbere Ghana budoyi voter di budui ya fe do la ba ibo ibo la ma joyo tash with ma jo alo kale ibo la ba alo covid na covid for example covid vagana budui e ye be ya do no apa covid be ma kakao ese goma ta so si no be have competitive tending be amono ko application there be ha material PPE be material article wa do ba na material bele ma do da na me wa never cha contract na opio afi never pay the ame pera ame was video ame wa ke yo ame wo nyo afi work contract e la ba ni ka sa Ghana to la ese nya gona e tell that exception dey fine na ni ejo o no emergency case to fi e ku ta gbe mi le awela gbe mi ni das len into to ku alora ni atoma das be nya na so si wa wodo ni e ka de sema go to source. Exception for emergency.
Emergency. Emergency.
Minister, and I said a model their emergency. I be say to in one more man area. It is emergency. I clarify. Yeah, I'm saying not to understand this. It's emergency because don't be traffic here no other. Not better. I couldn't know a moment. Here been Here been Akatoni. We don't know be. When you're in a position. Over president, over leader, flag bearer, John Dramani Mahama, you don't Charity to TV did not be so be over, well, I can't see my guy. Your site example be COVID joy. I prefer now, Dr. Ajimabe, and now contract, so the map of PPE, even a man Ghana, they will be few. Oh, no, my Lord, Ghana being the few, some the film of TVG. So I know over your God, I don't know Dr. Ghana to not happen. Go to our break, let's see. God is at the door to have better parliament. Yemuva, a car, Nima out of 107, out of 104 contracts, Nima's 44% of sourcing contracts will limit. Yes, he was I'm a good person around my don't want our investigation is what I love. What is that? And for the government, we know about 70, about 81 contracts, so sources. Where do you know how you? If then I put it to them, I did that for me. The fact that I come in about 44%. Yes. You know, then I do that economy delay over my gown. Yes, for the camera, the women, for the capital, we work with that form and put me Ghana authority. You make a Ghana the Ghana or be a and so, what is the Ghana LPP to 8 years now, over 100%, over 100% contract with source. Keep learning just 1 year, 44%. The criminal 4 years, they become like Bagana. And now, seriously, maybe the kind of now. Ghana Via now don't want to to research what I will be. After collecting them, they will be with that money for. No, we never even the government only let us carry. What was that? Never to abandon. Maybe after 11 o'clock, every man you let join use no more. That's all. And we are going to go to the extent that if you are what day, maybe my own brain out. Something is cooking. Let the vocal be here. Now, surely tell it to you. Then by next week, we'll come back to this. Let's examine this street. Deputy Finance Minister of constituency.
NPP macro rafa wala sidogba arawe nyagara nyaogbo a seminity aton achoro enya akoko yo gbonchi afina gere enya ntogbo so sourcing ni mo abojawe na yo na contract ma lo fareka o ma bland vonelema yon to yo chona amo
yo Tony awale ke onabo agbesu ke bole ya so sourcing menye dadale Ghana pe eduli saji onyo ba mi yo ke hele mehemi bunanye be doma here the competitiveness the what for the mekae offer value for money. Fimaya Babiao Vanale. But there are some keywords. Name even me a source in Ake, Remiawa. Elemia Seve, ne oko edonamede as a source of donor. If you have I mean, fulfill some kind of requirement, that is the first thing whole agency. Then, near Agaglobe, I have a unique expertise. The field can be Hobenoko and Donelli, the Banya Domanye, and then we look at patents or proprietary technology. Mana of Podemodega. Mila Ole Fiminia Americana war Ola through a West Kakabagede a Fumi. Many only that. Now, if you are over a motto and Yawasi, Koto Bebe, a Colito Bami, Koi Bebe. Tano Condomana, Niampani Kodorike, Rolida, a year bear, Yilabota Pony. Look on the mana Rolida, Henye and Yawasi to Bebe and source looking. Tony, Babia Kanyano, Babia Nebedi, a doika or already, a annual, Ikawana value for money.
Nke sagbo ne enye esame yabele se otapahamele miapontoma nke sagbo saro gbo na ma wodo banto wo enwe etagbo ga chodo bubu ne alabe ame awon ewo nye mefia ba mabubu are mali ataga wo you understand.
So another thing hey on about the question. Let's also if there are some emergency attached to Ika
Yemagbo mi se ya kogome Banya brother, emergency. We could emergency is an exclusion. Is it right?
Yeah.
I don't know what the Patapataji or here at Chimalo, corporate security here, never do away. Yes, I come on. You be a no road down the me, a Cavalry. You probably me. You put up on a Maraha, don't want that way me. You be really down it and a boga with him. Do less some procurement also.
Yeah, Tony, I am able to make a blomel in a baby. A doink Benoa, there a really can do me. So, a Beverno, a Kenyanuki, hey, get a beve, Nequacho, home in Lispa, Vato, West, or get a sub dime, Mayama.
A mamma, you probably be
exception can you the emergency aspect as attached to a doi Benoa. But a doi, you look at the Keheminia, and no order, Mana, I make a medical the same. A you had a contract or Yawa source. So those are Popa Senuya because here Bewa one and a pata. Tano sourcing code. But a Boblabe source in a day. Yes, I made a Aglabe Domahi because I made a Yamede Wawa Nuka Plenuke. Those are genuine look at Hiwabia. Kake, mother we can name le contract you Henia whole and more fee. Just more even black carriage would hold a mission. But only that I whole play black carriage would hold a mission to support the Mohammed. Cover no. In emergency case. Uko a payment of week Rolida or Heminia, your honor nega or mother, Yamian of Fiano Lidua.
Honorable. But see, my general sure no educated. Need Yaman already. Well, you have a Azai Kamatapo, Nene Akaji, never knew children. I'm away, we could have Vinam 1 million. But what the baby? Yeko, we carry the Yazon, we choose Donamazon, you met the Karen Woji Gladwell. You know, Cho, Peppy, Blair, and Mopayo, Chow door. And I go as I mean, Tam Yamba, a cell babo, Namo, don't you dare matter, Mine, so source contract, pull, never procurement, Lord, what we are going to Majimania.
Yo, Tony, and you met to a scene and a monga. Can we come a bubble? Fifia Babia or baby a doika corner me, let me up and upon no overprice a dollar alone.
That's what minority bear are more Kata to single source contract. You contractors for Hong Kong. A doyo chono, who name Rosa,
ni me le fi nyemegbe because enye nyema no fi ta fa chelo me hokona amede aso sauce no kede dupe de kemele me namo so nyema va no fi egbe na he over the just be no ega ike oka de no elolo apa ewo no kanuka play ga keme de mo na ame yo ke hele yedo ni minority tori o he te fo bi to wala Ghana ni to go no e ho le ko minority no me ne minority but that minority
no, hold on. Leave that word from me. Leave that word from me. My digress strategy. Newspaper Okonya. Don't jack the show. Medekukuna. Mamanye Kuhekongo. Anyway, that the message is over. The white man is the representative of the devil on earth. Okay, okay, Peter Pokuwe, good morning to you, Tony. Please wish my brother a happy birthday for me. Great costume, great show. Thank you very much. Peter Poku, African. Oh, you don't insult Africans. You don't insult Africans. So, all right, Africans, we are the cause of our own problems, and even reparations, even when we are paid anything at all, our leaders will still squander the money. I think I'm going to now your Garamin crowd, $100 trillion, no man Africa because politicians go to Kumako Chigola, so you should forget about it. Okay, Bernard Chomabe, look how empty the place is always. I don't need a UN resolution to know that what happened to Africa is the worst crime against humanity. The UK Parliament can do all they want because, okay, so I didn't really, he doesn't need a UN resolution to know that it's a crime against humanity. But the question I wanted to ask is that if they recognize that as a crime, then what next? See, nobody having a crime. I mean, the bread work to that no UN. Vadi Tomaso being a crime. They do favor your look 526 years ago over Africa about exploration. Ojemwa Gomedi. Domina all your doma and I want to know to what end. To what end? Allo no for Namia. In any case, what which is Banyawe Okujeto is leading this campaign? Well, it may be Okujeto, but this talk of reparation has been there for years. E.W. Du Bois, George Parker, Malcolm X. Jemwa Gome, civil rights Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Medarata. Aro hafi Saint God Kuma Topatawa Garanyama. So this nobody reparation, even Nana Dampa for speech he could deliver the UN in 2024. Beautiful rhetoric. You have a song by Kumabana or control Wonyam can go natural.
Yo, so
message to me.
Yes, so sosina. Many dada le Sergio Nyon. Kake the call for bewa approve apoda be yes a guy yoke le number you play a do yoke wow also anyano ike adevina Ghana tawa. Madam Ebenezebe ma age the current government he me carriage be wawe be in no time enu ya opete he pe yo was CSO so play do me vi bobo wole ya wa de go ga ke carriage na no mi asibe fimi edo yo ke wona as source of sina me carriage we enye no ikenye value for money ike add fina mega na to
that should government Abuja nyajibo mbabra kama yicho.
For now, because American Maton, I want to unless proven Maton Aglobe and Goblin or what they can do. Madibe as early as possible. Hey, Nyakbo information, okay, after me, and most of the jilo alomes of the jiwa ne academia dominemia katamia lenkude.
Okay, Kofi Agbebe, only that's an insulting word. Only will downplay issues of such international importance for local political gains. All right, thank you. Michael, you see all as a crime, but the criminal sees slavery as an opportunity to get wealthy, and that, my friends, yeah, so yes, you see it as a crime, but you see it as an opportunity to get wealthy. He won't mind you. All right, basically that. I appreciate your message. Okay, Dr. Seraki. Hey, hello, youth of Ghana. These calls are not new. Okay, I think we said that these calls are not new. It yields no result. So I think the official like me, all right, more messages. We're going to break quickly, and then there's no time.
The first one, the reparation issue. These fights at the level have been there years, decades. Kakenya Bobi Okudeto is leading the delegation there. They have cut away from it and added something new to it. That President John Dramani Mahama is the one championing. That the John Dramani lead delegations championing the Atlantic slave trade reparation. So, but not for UN follow-ups concerning these issues. They are targeting 2036. That is 10 years ahead of us. But by then, all African countries should even organizing seminars, bringing the youth onto the African Union, the debate, organizing festivals, changing our curriculum, and then changing the whole African things concerning reparation. So that by 2036, we are able to find. By now, African has come to understand slave trade and then the effect it has on us, and then going forward. These people,
Africa has come to understand slavery. Along the Americans.
Africans, they make target because they have made it point based. The usual crying to the people that we want development, we want compensations, we want to be added to this. The issue is beyond that now. The issue should be home based. This is what we will do. Changing our infographics, historical facts, and testimonial about the need for reparations. Because they have come to realize these things are not just there at the end. You will meet one day. I read very nice statements. To take effect. And we are creating more awareness within the African continent and even the Africans in the diaspora. To know the details of this fight going forward, because the usual one day, AU, UN, and with statements.
Hold on, a quick one. Good morning, Avimba TV. Please check your sound quality. There's so much echo within it, making it difficult to hear clearly. Again, your station is on international wave, so please check your studio guest dressing on how dressing to show respect to viewers and also portray civility of errors at the new brides from Ho. Okay, but I'm sorry, I don't appreciate you, but we are done with the show. So I appreciate that message. Message the culture me patience. But my member of parliament is an honest man, is an honest guy. So thank you about that. So Freya Nyakosem, 5 star. I'm listening to you. Thank you very much. Good morning, Dr. May. Okay, Okay, May. All right. Good morning, Tony. How are you doing? Great show. Okay, Honorable, just 30 seconds. 30 seconds. I beg you.
So that is it. And then the other aspect of it,
many messages.
This soul sourcing issue. And people like that I want to opposition about it. Party the soul sourcing the fourth estate is a media organization. Not pointing to them because any opposition Nikki. We carry on the blood within 1 year, we have 44% of your contracts on soul sourcing.
Quick one.
If it's 15 in power. If that governors at Buddha, not plus Alekoi. Meaning, let the people not
vote. Yo, Nepal Pola, Matrone, Honorable Richard was a couple of Taponyaman, a battle of hot bar, messages so boy, Majimada for America, Jibe, Odo message, that is that. Daka, Nyakonaka, Fifami Jibe out the state institutions, so survey at the Kalemi Assembly, birthday. I'll use this opportunity to wish you a happy birthday before we go. That open picture, let's screen Ajira. Okay, put around 30 seconds, quick one, so many messages.
Yo, ma agbro adejipo na mleka selo be no dejidi NDC I make available all documents here be me akobe eto yo kona ike vovon le e pove ne dadu pone po vokli de na von e dadu gana to ko ta me se ofe be vese me ake ejine na opo ma wonu ma adogbe na yo ameti anoto meto e to gbe amegbo iri na ile apele mama mbuke banto le pere de du ofete ya pa Easter elegy ne mia adiga na ngoi do mile abese amekpe
eba wa retro tanem ma all right, that's a great one. Honorable Richard Bradford, okay, messages. Good morning to you, Mary Kholanyowe Dogbanami, great message. I appreciate you. Jesus Patricio Medakbe Namilo. Okay, Medakbe Namilo. Akpeno. All right, that message is from Magato Klago. All right, do the message ram. Okay, Kuma Nyapom I appreciate you for watching. A quick one. This man's birthday is today. Prophet Peter, Boku Ebonami Shai, Yoche, Pascal, Doche, Boku, Quantity Surveyor at Home Global Assembly for a birthday. So, happy birthday to you from your brother, Prophet Poku, and from our team as well. And we wish you all the best. We wish you all the best. We wish you all the best. Yo, Mpola, Honorable Raphael, Olasidogbe, Evako, Romano, Honorable Richard Agwesuga. It was a very hot show, very well contested show. Tony McBoy, all that messages I can't read. Bye bye.
Qu'attend la vigie, et la vigie. Faut que va glolo.